ଲୁହା ତାପରେ
purchase a vehicle, my lord.
ହୁଁ
From that the agreement is also annexed, my lord. And the police has seized in a case, my lord.
seize for what? You are illegally transporting something.
No, it is in my depot with the iron pipe, my lord.
तो कौन पे पुलिस कौन पे सीज कला?
That the iron pipes are stolen, that's why.
Oh, that's why I'm saying there must be something illegally किसी ही थी वो stolen article
And the original owner
तो
is,
कितने दिन लानी?
that is
Yeah, the original owner has not come up.
yes.
Who are you?
I am the purchaser, my lord.
वो काट
By virtue and affidavit, he is saying that I am the purchaser. How that?
भाई purchaser but vehicle ला transfer ही दिबो ना?
Hey, नहीं.
Transfer है नहीं actually.
How he will claim?
फिर आप purchase कला transfer केमती हबनी? आगो तो आजिकली समस्त जे जहाँ purchase कला आरटीओ रो आगो करंती transfer करंती पैसा आधा देगिरी आरटीओ रो transfer ले बाकी पैसा दियंती. That is the system. आपण मते लागो जे किछ झोल है कुछ.
मतलब that vehicle damaged, my lord.
नहीं बहुत बड़ा झोल है अंदर, इतना आसान नहीं है.
That vehicle is damaged by the RTO, my lord. That vehicle is damaged by the RTO, my lord. That's why I mean
damaged by RTO.
Yes, my lord.
RTO को मैं damage करियो?
Because it, my lord, that is last annexed, my lord.
But tell me why RTO will damage your vehicle? What is the fun the RTO will derive if it damages your vehicle?
It's not condition for
Cancellation of registration.
That is cancellation is different. Why is it damaging then? Damaging the body of the vehicle. What are you saying, sir? Cancellation is not damaging. They have rightly taken decision. I can't do anything here. I can't release that kind of vehicle. You have a lot of problems. Sorry, you approach the appropriate authority.
Because some decisions are there, my lord.
That decision contact करियो से decision पे इति लागू हेबनी. Facts तर देखंदु ना आपण गाड़ी चोरी हला, cancel हला registration, it went up to cancellation बोले आपण issue is serious. ये जो अंबालाल चलिबनी
सेटा कंडीशन है डिसीजन भी हम जो एग्रीमेंट बाय वर्चुअल एग्रीमेंट आई एम द ओनर दैट्स व्हाई द रिलीज इन फेवर ऑफ मी मैन
निवेदन कहार जजमेंट है अरे सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों नहीं देते हो सिंगल जज ओडिशा हाई कोर्ट मु मानवी बाध्य सुप्रीम कोर्ट दबो ना डीपी जजमेंट दबो ना ये सिंगल जज दबो सिंगल मानवी बाध्य नहीं को सर्कमस्टेंस को जने जज कोन ऑर्डर पास कर सेटा सब एप्लीकेबल थोड़ी हो मैं अगेंस्ट आई मे नॉट लाइक दिस आल्सो
बिकॉज़ हियर द क्लेमेंट इज नॉट ओरिजिनल ओनर इज नॉट कमिंग मैन दैट्स व्हाई
वेयर इज द विच पैराग्राफ कंजूस बड़िया गोटे कॉपी आनी मु जानि तांगो गोटे कॉपी देलेनी तांगो गोटे कॉपी दियो जहा हेले सब स्टेट को भी गोटे कॉपी देबे एंदे केस गुडा ना गोटे एटा माने सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट ट्राई करबो सिंगल जज रे एते परसेसिव वैल्यू बेसी न थाए नहीं वो जगह थाए जदि बहुत रेफर करके लिखिथिबे आ बहुत लेखा गोटे पर्टिकुलर फैक्ट्स से सरकार देखिथिबे गोटे पेज रे छाड़ देथिबे सेते कोन परसेसिव वैल्यू कोन आछि सेते जजमेंट पांचटा रेफर हेतिबो डिस्कशन हेतिबो देन सिंगल जज आल्सो हैज ए वैल्यू अनफॉर्चुनेटली एथरे किछि नाही सेंती सेक्शन टा कोट कर देले लेखा है एथरे कोन करी anyway I'm issuing notice it okay issuing notice we will write the good judgment
That him implead owner of the
he also implead the owner of the land concept you first implead him land concept of the petitioner is directed to implead the original owner of the vehicle by filing an application for impleadment list the matter on today's Monday आज कर देंतो दो पेज रे कर देबे implead the owner of the vehicle
today in court my lord because
in court nahi mo monday lago chi apन court bahar hire karantu register file levar achi
Friday because affidavit there my lord
mo monday lage dochi monday you will get 2 days time
yes
for your convenience only okay. Next
item number 2 please my lord I may be allowed to appear virtually your lordships
yes please
lordship here it's a revision against the reversion of conviction under 138 of NI Act, my lord, the trial court convicted, imposing a fine of rupees 1,20,000 for dishonor of check of rupees 60,000, and in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 4 months, my lord.
So what
Now-
is the then we went to the higher forum.
Yes, Sessions Court.
Hmm.
Now, on a technical ground, the conviction has been reversed. If your lordship sees annexure
What, reverse to what?
Lord, conviction has been set aside.
No, that's fine. But
Yes.
Set aside.
Set
You are
aside.
for whom then?
I'm for the complainant, my lord. This is an
Oh, you are for the complainant.
division.
Oh, I
Yes.
see.
Lordship.
I
On-
thought why you have to come here.
Lordship.
Okay. So
It's-
you are
it's-
saying that the reversal is bad.
Lordship.
Why the reversal is bad?
Lordship sees page 29. The
29.
criminal appeal judgment starts at page 29, annexure 2.
Yes.
And I'll take your lordship straightway to the relevant portion. Page 44, if your lordship sees, the last
Page
page.
44.
44. Last page of that judgment. Lordship has it, my lord?
Please don't talk, sir. Please.
Sure.
Yes.
On a technical ground, if your lordship sees the line in the present case, the first notice cannot be accepted to be deemed service, the
Hmm.
addressee not being the correct address of the appellant, and the second notice cannot be relied upon by the complainant being sent beyond the prescribed period, my lord. My lord, the law is well settled.
So what is the time period for that?
My lord,
1 month, within 1 month, have you not sent notice?
I have sent the first notice within a period of 1 month, my lord. But
Okay.
the appeal court says the first notice is to a wrong address because that was returned as unserved with an endorsement left.
Wrong address means you are not staying in that house.
No, the accused was
The opposite party is not staying there.
was not staying in the house.
So that was the address that is written in the document.
Lordship.
From
I
where
have
you got from where you got the address?
Because yes, the complainant was transferred and was working.
No, I'm asking from where you got the first address when you wrote the first notice.
Because on my inquiry, my lord, I
From
found-
where you got the inquiry, sir?
because this was a
No,
friendly
because
phone,
you're
Lordship.
if there is something written somewhere
Lordship.
from any document, if that address is there
Lordship.
and you have sent and he was not there, it
He was
written back, then
Yes.
you have a case. But if you say I have an inquiry from where you got that address,
No, this was a friendly loan, my lord. He
friendly
was,
loan.
Yes, he was transferred for work to
Mhm.
Puri. Hence, I sent the first demand notice to Puri. That got
Okay.
returned back with an acknowledgement that the addressee
But
has
you have
not-
sent it. You have sent
I
it.
have sent it, my lord.
There's a proof that you have sent it, right?
I have sent it, my lord.
So, okay.
Then
Then
your
first
lordship-
requirement, you have met the first requirement, right?
Lordship. And
And
then
next?
on being returned,
Hmm.
I sent a second address, a second notice.
So the appellate court says the second, the second was delayed. The second is the first
Yes.
one.
Yes.
They say the second was the first one.
The appellate court says that the
Huh.
second one, though was sent to the correct address,
Correct.
but it was sent outside that 30 days period.
No.
Hence,
If that address was wrong, then it should have considered. Okay, I'm issuing notice. Okay,
Lordship.
I'm issuing notice. You have a case. Then the second point. Yeah. Complete the second point. What is the second point?
Lord,
This is one part within time you have sent. Second,
that is the only ground on which the
only ground.
only
No other-
ground on which the
nothing
conviction
else.
has been reversed.
Okay.
Nothing else, your lordship.
I'm issuing notice. No. If first one, suppose it is sent and there is a proof that letter has come back
Yes.
unserved, then you have a case that you cannot say that there is a trial. In fact, the appellate court is wrong in saying so.
Lordship. My sole proposition is that the second demand notice will be deemed to have been sent on that first date
Correct.
and will be an action in continuity, your lordship.
Correct.
Lordship.
So you have any case law on this, please? Give me.
My lord, on this, your lordships.
Yeah. On this issue, if you
Lordship.
suppose you the deem when you are
Deemed
saying
service.
that,
Deemed
deemed
service of
service,
notice, my
yeah.
lord.
deem
the law-
service in
deemed-
case like this only. Don't do deem service. Otherwise, it will be many.
Yes.
But on the case like this, 130, there must be some cases.
I will
130,
find
there is
it.
a lot of cases. Okay. The complainant is a member of the SHG group.
Lordship.
Okay. And the accused is a close acquaintance of the complainant. The accused approached the complainant for a financial help of rupees 60,000 in order to meet his financial stringency. And accordingly, the complainant paid the amount on 10/1/2016.
Gotcha.
And there was also an agreement to that effect. Agreement in stamp paper. In the said agreement, the accused agreed to pay back the amount within 3 months. However, he failed to pay back the amount within the aforesaid period. When the complainant approached the accused to refund the amount, the accused issued a check bearing check number 010180 dated 7/6/2017, drawn by HDFC Bank, Dhenkanal, amounting to rupees 60,000. The said check was issued by the accused out of his bank account number 197 and blah blah blah. The complainant deposited the said check in her bank account at Corporation Bank, Dhenkanal branch, and the said check was dishonored, and the complainant was intimated on 7/6/2017. The present petitioner / complainant issued a legal notice on 4/7/2017, much within the prescribed time limit. However, the said notice returned unserved, as what is the noting in that? Not
Left.
correct address.
And endorsement left.
Okay, without
an
the
endorsement,
endorsement.
That
Oh,
addressee has left.
sorry, with an endorsement, the addressee has left. Hello. Then what happened? Then he went to the court.
Then I have issued a second demand notice, my lord,
Okay, then the complainant issued a second demand notice
to the permanent address.
to the permanent address of the opposite party, and the said notice
Also was returned back with a remark,
also
addressee long absent.
returned back with an endorsement that addressee has left long back. Then you went to the,
I filed the complaint case, my lord.
where is that, which paragraph you have it? Then the petitioner approached to the JMFC.
My lord, that is JMFC Dhenkanal, my lord.
JMFC Dhenkanal, and the matter was order
Resulted in conviction,
order
my lord.
person, like 26 page 26 order person, and the matter was decided in the following way. Order pura quote kar do. Then the
Accused challenges
then the opposite party went to appeal.
appeal.
Then the opposite party went for appeal. And where is the appellate court order?
That is page 29, your lordship. It starts at page 29.
29. Then the opposite party went on appeal before the additional district session judge come, special judge, Vigilance Dhenkanal.
Order at page 44, my lord.
Nengana, wherein the appellate court, what is the order?
That is page 44, your lordships.
44.
He is hereby set aside, and the appellant stands acquitted.
The appellate court allowed the appeal and set aside the order passed by the learned JMFC
Lengana.
Nengana. Hello. The petitioner is constrained to approach this court agreed by which the petitioner is constrained to this one. Issue notice to opposite party by registered post. And returnable on 5th December. 5th December. Okay, next.
Grateful.
Sorry, copy. Okay, next.
Item number 3, may I please your lordship, my lord?
One more. 3.
Yes, my lord. This is, my lord, against order of conviction for 2 years. I have before your lordship. Punishment was for 2 years, and offense was under section 376, 511, trial was commenced. But the condition was made 350, but 376, 511 could not have been made out, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, prior to that, my lord, I have filed a certified copy of the appellate judgment, but I have filed another application for dispensing with the filing certificate for the time being, the trial court judgment, because 1 month time was given for challenging the order before this honorable court, and tomorrow it will be over. That's why I could not obtain the certified copy of the trial. That may be dispensed with for the time being only.
You have filed an application?
Previous case, my lord, I have filed.
Filed application?
I have filed, my lord. That is, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, that is IA 819 of 2023.
Admit. And I number
819 of 2023.
819. Certified copy of the impugn order under next one is dispensed with for the time being.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
My lord, next, my lord, other business will be considered after, my lord, your lordship will be pleased to admit my revision, my lord.
No, that is admitted.
Yes, ma'am. Obliged.
Admitted.
My lord, one is that for stay of, my lord, relation file, and other one is for stay. That is, my lord, 821, my lord.
Other one is?
My lord, 820 first, that is for bail.
I have seen that.
Yes,
ma'am. Fine. Okay. Next.
My lord, 821 is for relation fine.
Run it.
Hello, my lord, one more place if your lordship may consider, my lord. If your lordship will often give me urgent certificate in course of there, that will help me. Otherwise, he'll go inside the custody. Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged. Highly obliged, my lord.
Urgent बोले एते urgent देखने.
काहे की पूछी, my lord.
आप कहीं आगे रहली?
नहीं, मेरी
ऑर्डर टा केबे करथिला?
ये लास्ट 18th रे थिला. 18th
बहुत फास्टर रेट रे
सर्टिफाइड कॉपी रे मैं
फास्ट ट्रैक मोड रे जाउची आ कोन अछि?
my lord, it help not with.
हां 4
If your lordship will have a glance to ordered judgment.
आ ऑर्डर के दिन 50 टा वाला देबे आगो.
Highly obliged, my lord. Much obliged. Item 4.
I may be pardoned to mention, my lord. The same order is challenged by another opposite party number 5 in WPC number.
Co matter.
4 item, my lord. Here I 4 item 4 I am.
Sanjulata Behera.
Sanjulata Behera, now the petitioner has challenged the order annexure 4, which has also the opposite party number 5 as a petitioner. Has also another. If along with both will come, then it will be. Number WPC number 13.
Let the matter be taken along with
13448.
WPC 13448 of
2022.
2022. This is the matter on 23, 23,
22nd or 23,
Twen-
23, 24, I have some problem.
22nd.
Either
ठीक है
29 or
22nd. 22nd.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Item 5.
5.
May I please next? This notor is LLC related to engagement of Asa LLC.
Engagement में Asa. What
Yes,
happened?
by the under Annex 1,
What happened first? Tell me, sir.
past
What is this,
9/10/2023, a notification is made by the opposite party for engagement of Asa.
Hmm.
Accordingly, I myself and some others have been applied.
Hmm.
Then LLC on 26/10/2023, there is selection and I have been selected LLC.
Hmm.
Again, LLC suddenly after 4 days, on 30/10/2023, another notification has been published by the opposite party without another
They're
notification.
cancelling.
Without any
Cancelling that.
they have not stated in the notification what
They have not cancelled it.
has not been stated in the notification also.
Where is it?
LLC, this is the Dhamsimula LLC,
Okay, District Balasore.
Balasore LLC. Second notification also Annex 4, page 27.
When is it? You have applied in the second also.
No. Then
Yeah,
I
a
made a
person has been
recommendation
selected.
before the
On
collector.
Page 28. Here the selection was made
Hmm.
as per 2019 guideline. Subsequently, it was found that 2022 guideline has already been comments and.
Sir, that is not their problem, sir. You should not have cancelled it. You should have renewed.
Cancel it. That appointment है नहीं हमारा.
No, no, cancel कोटी कर चुकी.
Yes, your ship.
Where is it cancel?
Page 28.
28 रे.
Yes. एतद्वारा धानसुमिया ग्रामवासी अवगत जनाई दिगला कि गत सुएंसो रे आपन ग्राम आशा चयन प्रक्रिया को बातिल करागला
बातिल तो ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ sir? ବାତିଲ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି?
ଟିକେ କହୁଛି
ହୁଁ.
Pay Annex 4 notification and so far Annex 1 notification LLC, there is no description LLC. What is the guideline that I do not LLC, but the notification as I found same criteria LLC.
ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲଟେ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ଭୁଲଟାକୁ
What is the mistake? Let them say what is the
Is it not the
mistake.
duty of the authority to rectify the
That's
mistake?
correct LLC. I am not disputing the same, but
Then-
that has to be stated LLC. What is the mistake? Because the two notification is no description LLC. Correct, same LLC. Every condition, every qualification, everything. correct.
Where have you written that because of this you have cancelled it? Without assigning any reason? You can't
There's no only one line guideline.
Sir, ठीक है.
Page 28 your ship.
28.
Again.
Yes, 28.
एतद्वारा धानसुमिया ग्रामवासी अवधि निमंते जनाई दिगला जे 9/10/2023 तारीख रे आपन ग्राम रे होइथा
आशा चयन प्रक्रिया को बातिल करागला.
ओडिशा सरकार द्वारा प्रदत्त 2019 मसियार गाइडलाइन अनुसार चयन प्रक्रिया करा जाइथिला किंतु एबे सरकार नूतन गाइडलाइन 2022 मसिया अनुसार आशा चयन प्रक्रिया पुनरारंभ हबो एणु आपन ग्राम रे आशा चयन पई जो प्रार्थी निमान इच्छुक अछन
ଦେଇଛି ତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ପଳେଇଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ସବୁ କଥା ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଅଛି ନୂଆ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ବାକି ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ କି ମନା କରୁଛୁ?
9/10/2023 ରେ ଗୋଟେ
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ଭୁଲ ତ ଠିକ କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବନି କି?
10
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଭୁଲ କଲେ ଠିକ ହେବନି? ଭୁଲଟାକୁ ଠିକ
10
କରିପାରିବେ?
ଦିନ ନାଇଁ only mistake that is I
They didn't realize that they suddenly realized. କିଏ କରୁଛି ଏଟା କି କୋଉ ଲେଭେଲ ରେ କରା ହୁଏ?
एटा ब्लॉक लेवल है
ବ୍ଲକ ଲେଭେଲ ରେ କରା ହୁଏ ସେମାନେ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଅବଗତ ନଥିବେ.
गोष्ठी स्वास्थ्य
They may not be knowing that there is a guideline that's why they change.
guideline
Sir, that doesn't give any rights, sir. No vested right.
they have a lordship so far that advertising concern they have stated that there is a clause
They have
they can
said that
cancel at
they
any
have
moment.
admitted that they have wrongly, they have applied that 19 guideline, whereas 2022 guideline was in force. By that was a mistake. And they have admitted and they have given
Right.
notice also.
Correct lordship.
And then
2019 guideline so far 2022 guideline ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଦିଟା notification ସେମାନେ କଲେ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି. So ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିଟା notification ଅଜିର ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ
sir,
answer
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ସେଇଥିରେ କିଛି
apply
ନାହିଁ.
କରନ୍ତୁ.
ପ୍ରାୟ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ reputation collector ପାଖରେ file କରିଛି that statement disposable ଅଛି.
ଆଁ?
Collector ପାଖରେ
କିଛି collector ବି ସେଇଆ କହିବ. ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି collector ସେଇଆ କହିବ.
no LLC because if the guideline LLC
Sir, ଆପଣ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର କଲା ସେଠି କରନ୍ତୁ. file pass
10
order.
ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ତାଙ୍କ guideline ଏମିତି
କାହିଁକି
change ହେଇଗଲା.
5 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମନା ଅଛି? ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଟେ କରିଦେଲି. I am entitled to rectify my mistake. What is the problem? যে মিস্টেক ন সুধারে সেটা খারাপ, যে
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସୁଧାରିବାକୁ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ଚାହୁଁଛି
କହନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ଦିଟାକ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କି ମିଶେଇଲା ପରେ ତାର ଯଦି କିଛି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ମିଳନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ କହନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ଭୁଲଟା ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଲି।
ନାହିଁ, ସେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ କହୁଛି a person is entitled to rectify his own mistakes. If he is entitled to rectify his mistake, ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କାହିଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି? ଫ୍ରେଶ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ? ଦେଖ
I think your lordship the date has been expired so for making application lordship.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ, ହେଲା, you go and apply. Okay, that's all. Lord consider the petitioner submit that. The petitioner assails the arbitrary cancellation of the advertisement dated
Dated your lordship first admission lordship 9/10/2023
9/10/2023 by the
Okay.
Superintendent Community Health Center Hatigada for engagement of Asha for the village
Dhanasimulia.
Dhan Simulia. So, the grievance of the petitioner is that though the selection process was already over and the petitioner was selected in the said selection process pertaining to the notification dated 9/10/2023, suddenly after
4 days.
4 days,
4
4 days,
4 days.
the authority cancelled the said advertisement and notified a second advertisement dated 30/10/2023.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, hello, full stop. The reason for the said cancellation of the first advertisement was that the first advertisement, the said advertisement was not issued in compliance with the guideline of 2000 guideline issued by the department pertaining to 2022. Rather, it was issued in compliance with the guideline, the earlier guideline of 2019. It was a genuine mistake by the authority, which has been admitted in their cancellation notice. And the authority is entitled to rectify their mistake by making it public through notice. Hence, there is no, the authority has not committed any error by issuing the second advertisement. Full stop. Though the petitioner was a selected candidate, she did not apply. Since the petitioner was a selected candidate, she did not apply in the second, responding to the second advertisement. Considering her plight of this court is of the view that the petitioner should also be given a chance to apply in the second advertisement if she has not applied. Full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner is granted permission to apply in the responding to the second advertisement within 1 week from today. And the authority shall take her candidature into consideration while selecting the Asha as per the second advertisement. Accordingly disposal. Go and apply.
So 7 days and lordship that they, in the meanwhile they may proceed for selection.
Sir, karibeni apply karibe. If the authority, sorry, if the selection process has not been over, her candidature be considered. If the selection process is already over, the said selection process shall be cancelled and her application to be taken into consideration.
If the persons who have already applied or selected is more meritorious than the people.
This is the.
I am not saying just to give her a chance.
Yes,
I am not saying that. Suppose complete kar the selection process.
yes.
She has to
And
redo the entire
And
exercise.
if the person is not otherwise eligible for that post, then why they?
Arey sir, if eligible, of course, if she is eligible, if she is eligible, this is first advance eligible, second except age, eligibility contact. Except age factor, something. I don't know chance fine, chance they have now. Our selection, sorry, redo karibi exercise. The entire exercise, if the exercise of selection has been over, the authority is directed to redo the exercise, taking into consideration of the candidature of the present petitioner. If she
And others.
is eligible for the said post.
Okay.
According to disposal. Hey, nothing. Apply
Aye.
urgent certificate issued. Next.
Item 6.
In this case, the Baragarh municipality has demolished my shop without giving any opportunity of hearing.
What's up, sir?
Shop,
For any shop, I can't consider.
no, sweet shop. It is was my own land.
Sweet shop. Diwali the sweet shop. Diwali.
The Diwali ta pura murder he gala, sweet shop chali gala.
Oh, Diwali murder हुए.
Mane sir, before your lordship.
Compensation
Partial to demolition, illegal demolition, though there is a civil code decree.
এটা এই কম্পেনসেশন ବି ଆସିବନି ଆମର ହଉଛି ଏକ୍ସ ଗ୍ରେସିଆ ସାପ ବେଙ୍ଗ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲେ ଆସିବନି ଆଉ ଏଠି ଆସିବନି ହେଲା like that is the appropriate bench.
ଆପଣ ତ ସାର୍ ଏମିତିଆ ବେଞ୍ଚରେ ବସିଲେ ଯେ ଆମର ଆଉ ରାସ୍ତା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା
କାହିଁ?
ଡେଲ୍ ହେଲେ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତୁ କି ଡିମୋଲିସନ ହେଲେ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ରାସ୍ତା ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲେ
These are the grassroots bench. That's what grassroots.
ସେମ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚ ଏତିକି ସାର୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ଆମର we know the pattern. ହେଲା let it be placed before the chief justice ACJ.
ନା ଏଟା ଯିବ ସାର୍ 12 ନମ୍ବର କୋର୍ଟ
ସେଟା ସେ chief justice decide ମୁଁ କାଇଁ decide କରିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
assign the appropriate bench. Bas disposal. Next.
Item 7.
7.
But yeah, the petitioner are challenging the selection of the Anganwadi worker. But CDPO, well, after giving making advertisement, had selected one candidate which is from the outside of our village. Appeal by the petitioner, they are the petitioner or the villagers. They made grievance before the collector and also made the CDPO and
Grievance is different, sir. There is appeal provision.
the appeal provision here. The whole the
So you
district-
go and file appeal, sir. Why have you come directly to the High Court? High Court bata ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଆସିବେ ଧାଇଁକିନା ନା କଣ?
No, no, ଏଇଟା କଣ
ସିଡି ଦେଇକିରି ସିଡି ଚଢିକିରି
appeal
ପାରାସୁଟ
ଅଛି
ଆପଣ ପାରାସୁଟ ଚଢିକିରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
sir,
ପାରାସୁଟ ନାହିଁ ସିଡି
appeal ଅଛି ଯେ
ହଁ।
appeal ଟା ଯେ candidate ଟା ସେ selection କରାଯିବ
ଯାଉ ନା ସେଠିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଟା ସେ violate
ସେଇ କଥା ସେଠି ବି କହିପାରିବେ ଆପଣ ପାରାସୁଟ କୁ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ
ନା,
ଆଉ ସିଡି ସବୁ ସେଫ
parachute ନୁହଁ
ହଁ ପାରାସୁଟ ତ ଆସୁଛି
Appeal-
ଏଟା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଇଜ ପାରାସୁଟ
appeal before this
ଆପେଲେଟ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ହେଲା ସିଡି ଦେଇକିରି ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ
ଆମେ ସିଡି ଆସୁଛୁ
ତେଣୁ ସିଡି ଧରନ୍ତୁ
ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଡିସିସନ ଟା ନହେଲେ ଆମେ କିଛି କରିପାରୁନୁ
ସାର୍ ସିଡି ସେଟା ମାନେ ସିଡି ଦେଇକିରି ଆସନ୍ତୁ land council of the petitioner to approach the appropriate authority ଆପଣ withdraw କରିଦେବେ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି
No, it only decision only
No, no,
collected
dismiss
to make a
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
decision.
ତାହେଲେ।
How kitchen? My prayer is let the we have villagers have made a representation. Here villagers କରିଛନ୍ତି collected to take a decision.
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଆଇଛନ୍ତି
ମୋ ଉପରେ ସେ
Villager-
ପିଟିସନ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ villagers ପରା villager they made
ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ କେତେ ଜଣ ଭିଲେଜର
ତ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଆସିକି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି villagers several villagers
କିଛି
filed.
ନାହିଁ
So villagers are not a
ଭିଲେଜର ବ୍ରାକେଟେଡ vested interest
vested
ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ
interest.
ବ୍ରାକେଟେଡ
Several-
vested interest ଆଉ ମତେ
Only
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
my only case is that let collected to take a decision. Villager their agreed person from their village instead of selecting CDPO has selected.
ଏମିତି
from
ନାହିଁ
the
ୟାଙ୍କର
outside.
କଣ ରିଲେସନ ଚିହ୍ନା ପରିଚୟ କାହା ଗୋଟେ ଲଗେଇକିରି ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ ଅନସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ କେନେ ଲଗେଇଥିବ
No,
ଏଟା ହଉଛି proxy litigation.
ପିଲାମାନେ
This is called proxy litigation.
ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ
ସାର୍
ଅଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା
ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଭିଲେଜର୍ସ ନା
କଲେକ୍ଟର ତ
ଦେୟାର ଭିଲେଜର ନା ଖାଲି
ଲେଟ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଟୁ ଡିସାଇଡ ଦ କେସ୍
କେମିତି କରିବେ
କଲେକ୍ଟର ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇଦେବେ ନା କରେକ୍ସନ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଠିକ ଅଛି sorry, Jivo.
So ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି? Come to your prayer.
My only prayer the let collector to take a decision. on
କଲେକ୍ଟର
that.
ଡିସିସନ ନେବ ବୋଲି କେବେ ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଲେକ୍ଟର?
And,
କେବେ ଦେଲେ?
it is given received କରୁଛନ୍ତି October 4-10
ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 4
2023
ନଭେମ୍ବର ଟିକେ ତ ପେସେନ୍ସ ରଖନ୍ତୁ। ଆସିଧା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
4-10-2023
the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition with the liberty to the pursue his remedy before the collector Keunjhar
Yes.
as one he further submit that since a representation is pending before the collector Keunjhar, the said representation is still pending for disposal. The collector Keunjhar is directed to decide the representation within 15 days from today. Hala? 15 days from presentation of this order. Hala? Disposal. Next.
Item number 8.
8. ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଟେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଇଲା କେତେ କଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଏ ଗୋଟେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ବିପଦ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ ଯିବ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ପାରାସୁଟ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ୱେ। ସିଡି always. Next.
Item number 8, my lord. Lord, annexure 10, my lord, annexure 10.
କଣ ହେଲା ଆଗ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପଛେ next କୁ ଯିବା। What is the issue?
Lord, the issue that, my lord, the petitioner has a limited grievance, he was engaged as a Sikha Sahib, my lord, from 2008, my lord. And her limited grievance here is that she may be treated as Sikha Sahib since 8/7/2008, my lord. As she is engaged in the vacant post of Sikha Sahib and is having the same qualification as the Sikha Sahib, my lord. And
2008 ରେ ଆପଣ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ?
my lord,
Still continue.
yes, ma'am.
Still
And I have
continue.
also regular.
You will regularize also.
Okay.
So you want that you should be treated from 2008.
Anti-rating.
And it's covered by Hon'Ble Apex Court judgment, my lord, that is,
ଶିକ୍ଷା ସହାୟକରେ
my lord,
ଶିକ୍ଷା ସହାୟକରେ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି କି?
my lord. Ganashikhyaka, he was appointed as a Ganashikhyaka, my lord.
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କେସ୍।
Yes, my lord. Add annexure 12, my lord, that is at page 81. And it is also covered also by this on our High Court. That is in the Umamoni Ponda versus state.
Show me.
Depends on this.
କଭର୍ଡ ବୋଲି କଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି? ଏଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ କଭର୍ଡ ବୋଲି କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଅର୍ଡର ଏଇଟା କଭର୍ଡ ବୋଲି କଭର୍ଡ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେନି। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେନି। ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖିବେ।
Compliance to the order of Hon'Ble Apex, my lord, already government has issued a.
That is different. But you don't say that some judgment ଯଦି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ମାନିବେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ମୁଁ।
Similarly,
ବହୁତ ଗନ୍ଧିଆ ଅର୍ଡର ହଉଛି ଏଟା। ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ सबसे गंदा ऑर्डर। ଏଥର ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖେଇବି ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁ। ଦେଖ। The learned counsel for the petition submit that since the matter pertaining to the antedating of appointment as decided in the state of Odisha versus Dhananjay Charan De, decided on 25/1/2023, wherein the court has the apex court has held that କଣ କହିଲ? last again.
Wherein the apex court has held that
The respondent in the said case would be entitled to claim the benefit of the period of employment from the date of his appointment. Similarly, the petitioner case, the present petitioner's case also quite identical to the case, the aforesaid case decided by the apex court. Also, considering the order passed by the apex court in Dhananjay Charan De Supra, let the authority also consider the present case as per the above case law, as per the above case decided by apex court. Also, if the petitioner is and the authority to examine if the petitioner is similarly placed with that of Dhananjay Charan De, and accordingly decide his case within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this copy of the order.
In compliance with the Hon'Ble this order, the government has already issued a notice to those petitioners.
Sir, I am not doing the order pass karibi. How government issue kala no kala ki kate pani dala kate sarbat dala mu ete kotha janibi. Apun kahela jibe apun ei order sangare jibe directly apun covered hochandi mu lekhi dile akonta lekhi representation lekhuni hala don't worry. Sidha order debe you are considered apun eligible thibe consider karibe hala sidha apun ekita dendu hala straight away you write a short thing. Not like along with this order, I am covered by this. Apna detail likhibe tar debe. Hala. They will consider within 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Okay, next.
Item number 9.
9.
Milord, on 20th January this year, advertisement was made for filling of the vacancy of the Anganwadi worker. I applied along with others. Scrutination was completed by the selection committee. All the formalities completed, and finally, the originals were verified.
Originals
were verified smoothly.
Then what?
And in the meantime, 10 months elapsed. 10 months already passed in the meantime. The result is not declared.
Corruption hai panni.
But guideline says within 15 days from the date of verification, it is still
completed. 10 months to combine the 10 months to chua jauchi. Apun 10 months re selection process nahi karuni.
My representation is pending before
the representation nahi ethi ever decide representation kotha more court re koibeni. I hate representation. I lekhi dibi board order I hate representation board laga dibi. Only representation chhadi ke baki sab koibe.
Only one thing that I
representation ko ekdam bahut selected matter representation hoyi sabu matter kon representation eti decide karibe company 10 marks salary decide kari nanti
just 2-3 lines
a total 2-3 lines se instruction niyantu aile pa rakhitantu gora pache kahile habani se asantu se dine koibe ja rakhitantu gunpowder ready for firing on that day. Now battle is not ready.
Milord,
go please talk now.
Only one line only. I am just stressing.
Nalla apanor khana
kahi kohchi hajur pai gote karan pai khali kohchi mu je CDP ko bhetili with
apan bhetile kon kare sabu mo bagare kichi record nahi. Why should you say all these things? First of all apan CDP ko bhetile CDP sang cha pile gopa kale
I have stated
to fir mu kahi se jibi kahi apan law re decide karante na sir kahi ye sab gopa janti CDP ko bhetili CDP mote ya kala kahi usse koila kana kalam kiti kon proof achi. Is there any proof that you made CDPO se amar koila ki written proof achi khali enti gopa chundu ko bhai wait karantu se kon response dekha diba.
The CDPO replied that pursuant to the revised guideline came thereafter, so we are not selecting you. But revised guideline ne gote kotha se kahichenti to quote kar dichi
sir mu kichi karunu se let them come na let them come with their answer. Why are you worried? Notice issue karchi sir asantu apna rakhitantu better idhar kichi din rakhantu kichi habani nashta habani. Okay, next. The petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite parties in finalizing the selection process. Although this SAM has been pending for about 10 months, the selection process has been standstill since then. The authority to take the Lankan state to take instruction as to why, what is the reason for keeping the matter pending for such a long time. List the matter on 29th. Next.
Item 10.
Please, my lord. My lord, here, pursuant to the advertisement, my lord, issued by the Annexure 1 for the post of Anganwadi worker in the
helper, sir.
Yes.
Helper worker saman lekindi habo.
No.
Apna helper lekichanti.
Helper, but the advertisement in Oriya, that is not clear. Please, my lord. Please, the advertisement is Shishu Vikas Yojana.
Apna lekichanti apna application is
Anganwadi Sohaika Podavi.
Sohaika the Anganwadi helper.
Helper? Yes, but she is a graduate.
So what? Yes.
Apply the CJ graduate belongs to the verification. First, page 9, sir, Annexure 1, page 9. Abedon Karaniko Jugyata. Anganwadi Sohaika Podavi Abedon Pine Nimno Jugyata Abashoko. Number 1, first one. আবেদনকারী উক্ত অঙ্গনবাড়ি কেন্দ্র পরিসরভুক্ত অঞ্চলর মহিলা হইতে আবশ্যক স্যার come to the my lord please come to the
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ କହୁଛି ବା ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ
କଣ ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ
sir my name is
ଆପଣ BA ପାସ୍ କରି
no BA pass କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁନି I belong to the Anganwadi center area whereas I to be selected instead of selecting me they have selected an outsider
appeal file କରିବେ
କଣ appeal file
appeal नहीं ता भाई
Sir, what happened? Once they to select one,
appellate there is a appellate provision.
Suppose there is apparent mistake has been committed by the authority. They have violated their own guidelines.
26 is not like
No,
this, sir.
I do oblige. Sorry, they are violated. Sir, they are violated their own guidelines.
Fine,
sir. Please see.
Appellate authority.
Sir, जानू जो appellate authority कोई sir टिक्के खाली देखो टिक्के sir. आवेदनकारी जे सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट इज नेम
जीवेनी आउ
सर जीवी ना
कथा मु करबी एबे करबी आपण पैसा
टिके आपण जा कन्विन्स ते भलो आउटे भलो
मु कन्विन्स है
टिके कन्विन्स कर दउ खाली टिके मोर जसवंती मुंडा सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट तार घरटा हला मोहदा अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर ला अंकडियो आई बिलोंग टू द अंकडियो एरिया देयर एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज आवेदनकारी उक्त अंगनवाड़ी केंद्र परिसरभुक्त अंचलर महिला हित आवश्यक दे आर वायोलेटिंग देयर ओन गाइडलाइंस
ओके इन द रेगुलर वायोलेट होची
सर
रेगुलर वायोलेट समझते जाउछन एप्लेट अथॉरिटी को एमती वायोलेट को सब जानती एप्लेट अथॉरिटी
सर
द पिटिशनर केस pertains to the wrong selection of a candidate, erroneous selection violating the guidelines
sir
for recruitment of human body workers, selection of member workers. Since there is a provision of appeal in the Act, the petitioner is directed to approach the appellate authority within 2 weeks.
Sir, 2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks, and the said appellate authority shall decide the matter within 1 month thereafter.
Sir.
Accordingly, the petition is clear.
Status का अजन today moment only.
How is status?
No status का otherwise.
आपण कौन अबे अच्छे continue करछथि?
No. I am one of the aspirant for the
aspirant की status को?
Status को selection has not yet been done. So
sir, don't
my lord
यदि आपण suppose you are found to be suitable selection हेइतिले भी cancel हे जीव आपण को दिया जीव कोन असुविधा अछि?
Sir मचोबले सर गोटे लाइन दिसले भलो न सर एते कि असुविधा नै कार जति भी ना
प्रॉब्लम इज माय
आपण असुविधा दाम सम असुविधा रे जज ग्रो असुविधा हम तो समस्त असुविधा रे पड़ो इंक्लूडिंग क्लाइंट
बैक टू द अथॉरिटी The authority should have everything. ତା ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ବ୍ରେକ୍
ନା status code ଥାଉ
ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଉପରେ
ନା,
ଖଣ୍ଡା ଏମିତି ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ହବ.
ମୁଁ sir I can understand
Free.
suppose there is
It is free.
is being selected
I don't want to
let her be
I don't
selected
want to give a Damocles sword on his hand.
always domestic
ওই
Sir.
ବିନା sword ରେ କରୁଡି.
sir ଭଗବାନ ଯଦି କହିବେ ମୋର ଏ ସେ ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ତ
Loan in the year 1911. 11 वाला.
କଣ ହେଲା sir?
sir only sir ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଛାଡିବେ
ଫିର କଣ ରହିଲା?
I'll file a stay petition before the appellate authority that should be decided in the same time
ଫାଇଲ କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି. ଆଉ ଏଠି
ନା ଏକା କରିବି
କରିବେ
or ନହେଲେ ସେ ଶୁଣିବନି ନା appellate authority ର
Why should I see all these things?
ଟିକେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ sir କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
They will do that.
ଆପଣ କହିଦେଲେ ଭଗବାନ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଦେବେ
Everything will be there. ସମସ୍ତେ
ଟିକେ
ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ.
କହିଦେଲେ sir କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି. ବହୁତ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି.
ସରି
ଆମର ସେ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟ ତଳେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରି ତାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଫ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆପଣ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି. ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଟିକେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି. କିନ୍ତୁ I want to clear cut.
କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଦବା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ଏଟା
ନା ନା ସେଇଟା କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହବ. Next.
Mallard. Mallard, the petitioner availed rupees 1,000 loan.
ଏଟା no
11.
rupees
1,000 Mallard agricultural loan.
1,000 rupees.
Yes.
Only
In the year 1974.
74.
Yes. Agricultural loan. Yes. Mallard, he paid around 900 rupees. And in the in the year 1982.
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମତେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି. Mallard, in the year
ଆପଣ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚରିଷ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ
ହଁ
Okay.
loan close कर देगी kind of because of the 1982 there heavy fraud was there in coastal district was highly 82 and coastal district was highly affected. That is why the government declared the loan agricultural loan is to wait. At that time rupees 300 rupees outstanding was there and the bank waived that loan and issued NOC and also released the mortgage property.
ସବୁ ଅଛି document.
ନାଇଁ ସେ NOC ଟା ନାହିଁ.
got the document.
original document original title deed ଅଛି.
NOC ଟା ଅଛି.
NOC ଟା ନାହିଁ. NOC ଟା ମିସ୍ କରିଛି. ଏବଂ
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ହେଇଛି ଏବେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ବି ସେ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. ଏବେ 21
ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଲୋନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ମାଇନର କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ର କି ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଜଣାନାହିଁ ଆମକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନବାକୁ ପଡେ ସେଟା ସେଇ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ର କି ନାହିଁ କାହିଁକିନା ସେଟା ମର୍ଗେଜ ଡିଡ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ବିକ୍ରି କଲେ ବିଫୋର ଦି ସବରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ସେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବମିଟ କରିଦେଲେ ସେଲିଡ୍ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବମିଟ କରିଦେଲେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଆରଓଆର ଅଛି ସବମିଟ କଲେ ଆଟ ଦ ଟାଇମ
ଆଜି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଟିକେ କହିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆଜି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଏତେ କଥା
ଇସିରେ
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ
ଇସିରେ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କଲା when the sale deed was going to be executed in EC it was found that the property has been mortgaged to the bank तापर मु इसी रु सर्टिफाइड
बैंक रो मॉर्गेज ता आपण क्लियर करनांती
नहीं मॉर्गेज सेटा रिकन्वेंस्ड हेइनी
सर मॉर्गेज डॉक्यूमेंट फेरी देंदी एनओसी दिया डॉक्यूमेंट फेरी दे आपण डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करनांती की
नहीं टाइटल डीड फेरी देले किंतु इट हैज टू बी रिकन्वेंस्ड इज टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बिफोर द सबरेजिस्टर अगेन नहीं डीड ऑफ मॉर्गेज वाज क्रिएटेड बिफोर द सबरेजिस्टर एंड अगेन व्हेन द लोन इज क्लोज्ड the bank will come again the reconveyance deed will be executed that reconveyance deed has not been executed I got that certified copy of
HP रे हुई नहीं सेटा हैप्टिकेशन रे सेटा
ना सेटा हुई
मॉर्गेज रे
yes and that is there under annex 1 I got the certified copy lordship kindly see
so today your problem is
on 21/8/2023 when the petitioner now more than 70 years old he wanted to sell out the property for his
so you are facing difficulty in selling this
document submit
you should notice to learn to the bank sorry to the bank kete number is pati
1 and 2
number 1 and 2 and comes to the bank waves of notice and once 1 week time to seek instruction on the matter list the matter on 30th?
Only I have filed this case on 21/8 I submitted the document my lord and the validity of the document for 90 days
instruction टा आनंतु
90 days रो validity 21/11 रे सजिवो माने मु आ जानि
को document रो
ए जो सेल डीड टा मु सबमिट करली बिफोर द सबरेजिस्टर with the court fee stamp duty everything that is to be lapsed by 21/11
so 21 so 20th लगे दोसी है
20th
अपन instruction
एवं लॉर्डशिप आफ्टर 21st August frequently the petitioner visited से कहले ना हम कर देबो किछि असुविधा नहीं
ए बैंक वाला आसनु नहीं आसनु
आगे
Item
Next.
12.
Copy टे देले तो
Yes.
My
12.
name may be restricted, my lord. MK Mahapatra.
MK Mahapatra.
The petitioner has filed this case.
MK Mahapatra, we have some notice in the bank.
The petitioner has filed this case for victim compensation. As
What happened, sir? What is the victim of what?
victim of the wife, the
The
husband.
victim of the
husband,
wife, what?
My lord,
What happened to the wife?
the petitioner husband is a tractor driver. He is plowing the field. While he was coming to the house, and in that time he was fell down on the tractor, and
Who?
the
Husband.
my lord, they died. And thereafter, as per the
Fell down on the tractor and died means I didn't understand.
tractor तापर चढ़ी गला आज्ञा
केमती से निजे पर ड्राइवर
हाँ ड्राइवर तापर चढ़ी गला ଆଉ
केमती
पढ़िला जेमती तापर गाड़ी स्टार्ट थला चढ़ी गला I have filed also FIR my lord FIR and postmortem
एथिପାଇଁ अछि कि compensation scheme
ये अछि
कोड अछि
notification my lord kindly see page 15 Home Department notification
15
हाँ my lord
कौन लगा जी कौन लगा सर
my lord kindly see victim means person who himself suffered loss or injury as a result of crime
सर ए डेफिनेशन जणा जायनी
my lord
को टाइप रो डेथ रे सेटा दिया होची सेटा देखंतु मते विक्टिम कहि देले हबन विक्टिम तो एनीबॉडी सफरिंग फ्रॉम समथिंग इज विक्टिम एटा लेखला विक्टिम पूरा फाळे पड़ी के आपण कहउछन ए कोन लिखि विक्टिम मींस अ पर्सन हु हिमसेल्फ or herself suffered loss or injury as a result of crime.
my lord
इटे कोटे क्राइम हिजी सर
ना crime ही
आ एटा पढुछन फाळे पड़ी के आपण विक्टिम देखै देले पड़ गेले इज रिजल्ट ऑफ सम क्राइम मॉब लिंचिंग हला माने समटाइम्स मे बी कम्युनल वायलेंस हला हां एगुडा एइथरे विक्टिम तक सिना मिलिबा ट्रैक्टर रे आपण पड़ी के मरिबे सरकार समस्त केते देबो हमर इंश्योरेंस जदि थिबो इंश्योरेंस मिलि परिबो हमर इंश्योरेंस किछि अछि
ना
इंश्योरेंस तले मिलि जो अबे प्रधानमंत्री की इंश्योरेंस गुडा नहीं सिस्टम
मानो ओनली प्रेयर annexure to page 12
सर प्रेयर कथा छाडो तो आपण फर्स्ट एथरे मीट करछु मागे टेस्ट करबी तापर प्रेयर को जिबी आपण वेदर यू फिट इनटू द स्कीम और नॉट if you are fitting into the scheme I am ready to pass order
my lord
you'll get money why should I say no but should be fitting in the scheme no government कहबनी कि पागला जस्ट एंती ऑर्डर करछ कहबनी I don't want to put such kind of a blame
notification
हां
Home Department notification page
सर सही नोटिफिकेशन देखंतु एंती मृत्यु अछि कि सेतरे देखंतु
my lord I have not gone
एई टाइप रे मृत्यु जदि अछि ता भितरे
I have gone through the notification
नहीं
next week रहू आगे
नोटिफिकेशन अछि त अपन पाखे देखंतु ना एबे देखि देनु काई नेक्स्ट वीक जिबा एबे सार दबा एठी this kind of death is there inside I don't think it is there मु ताको 10 7 डेली रे एटा पढुछि मु आ कोन करछि सेटा पढि पढि मोर मुखस्थ हे गलानी नाही एटा सर आपण देखंतु नाही ए टाइप रो डेथ नाही ड्राउनिंग अछि स्नेक बाइटिंग अछि
आज्ञा
ये कौन सी प्रकार जंगली जानवर किलिंग एटा अछि क्रोकोडाइल किलिंग भी हबो साप किलिंग सब अछि आ ई ट्रैक्टर किलिंग त नाही ता भीतर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लागले भी हबो
आज्ञा
ट्रैक्टर किलिंग कोडी अछि किमा कोन सी व्हीकल रे एक्सीडेंट रे मले हबो कोन
next week रहू
आपण देखांतु आई एम रेडी टू ओनली थिंग
next week दे दो
I should get satisfied first
next week आगे रहू मुटा पढि के कहबी notification proper
okay learn concept of the petitioner 6 1 week time to study the matter is the matter on 28
my lord
okay next
Item 13.
13
Sir, pass over the matter.
pass over okay pass
Item 14.
May I please yours?
14.
Here, my lord, one Santosh Kumar Dwivedi, the petitioners are the legal heirs of one Santosh Kumar Dwivedi. He had 5 numbers of fixed deposits in the State Bank of India.
Nomination का थी
And nomination in out of 5 term deposits, 2 term deposits, petition number 1 is the nominee. And 1 term deposit, there is no nominee is there. And 2
no nominee, no problem. All entire money will be divided.
Yes. And so far as other 2 rest 2 fixed deposits, opposite part number 2 is the nominee. He is the brother.
So what is the problem?
Now the bank is not disbursing the amount.
क्या
That
केस
is-
लेके आ जाते हैं बैंक के पास से जिबे आपण हमें नॉमिनी लेके देबे से जा डॉक्यूमेंट मांगे दे देबे बैंक दे देबो
No,
एरा बैंक
we have also
सरकार
we have submitted all the documents, but the bank is refusing to.
काहे की रिफिज को ग्राउंड रिफिज कोची
Se kochi opposite part number 2 is the nominee. So we will
तो ठीक है जी
disburse
नॉमिनी
the,
आपण के भीतर ही कर
because we are the legal heirs, we are eligible and entitled to get the amount. my lord.
ना सब दिन एकड़ा कते कहबे एटा रेगुलरली कहूची आपण बैंक को जिबे आपण that is not a problem for no nominee no problem समस्त को डिवाइड हो जीवो नॉमिनी भी किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं था बैंक डाकी समस्त को डिवाइड कर दबा कोन सुधा ला किसी हां
Bank is refusing.
आपण तो नोटिस
We have submitted.
हां
लेफ्ट आसी तो मेल आसी उते ऊपर फायर करबे नहीं नोटिस
आपण नोटिस रिसीव करंतु आपण स्टेट बैंक पई आपण अछंती तब तो असुविधा कोन लर्नर कंसेप्ट बैंक issue notice to learn personal bank to take instruction. Give a copy.
I'll give you a copy and another notice to OP number 2 is a private person. my lord.
Okay, to by registered post.
And till that, my lord, no amount be released in favor of
Sir,
OP
किसी
number
अपनी release. Okay, till the next date, no amount shall be released in favor of any of the part. है ना?
2. Yes.
आपण आई फाइल करछंती?
Yes. I is there, my lord.
आई को देखिलो बाहर
I number 17856.
Okay, and pass applicable the bank is directed not to take release any amount in favor of any party. Any party with respect to the fixed deposit, term deposits, as well as savings bank account kept in the name of the late Santosh Kumar Dwivedi. Released the matter on 5th December.
My lord, I am solving copy. my lord.
Give a copy. Yes. Next,
permitted to
14.
15
15, sorry. Okay, land concept of the petitioner. What is your name? Tilochan Das. Mr. Tilochan Das. 6 permission to withdraw. Permission.
approach the OP1 settlement of loan approach the OP1 it's liberty to approach OP.
Liberty darkar. In order to approach a settlement.
OP1
In order to approach the OP1 for settlement of the dispute. Next.
Item 16.
16.
Where it's matter to ex gratia compensation people affecting in funny storm alerts. People are affecting in funny storm.
Funny storm.
Oh, yes.
Storm good I love.
Said-
Storm. Don't
I
say
know.
storm. What I say?
And in the case of petitioner Millard, after due inquiry, petitioner received 10,000 rupees. And the government was declared to give 95,100 rupees. So rest 85,100 rupees is pending, Millards. There is
Only 10,000 you receive.
a petitioner received only 10,000 rupees. 85,000 is pending.
That's what I'm
85,000.
asking.
Again?
That is what I'm saying. You are not
Yes.
hearing me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mind कुछ दूसरे जगह है. फिर? So 10,000 you have received, 85,000 you are yet to get it.
Okay.
So why you have not given the when did you get the 10,000 rupees?
Sorry?
When did you get 10,000 rupees?
My lord, we have received the 10,000 rupees on 4/1/2018, Millards.
2018. You have not given the another the rest of
Let
them.
me after this first payment.
And consider the petitioner is the state to take instruction.
My lord,
regarding the
I have one
payment
submission
of
regarding this.
Guhare
Okay.
ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଯାଅ କାହିଁ ତରବର ହଉଛ ଏତେ
Okay.
डरटे डाकुची मझे पशे तुम कथा बुझिली और से इंस्ट्रक्शन नेला पर तो जहाँ डिसाइड करी तरबर हो खाली ना पेटर सरी नहीं कहवा कथा कह कह
In this similar matter, Lordship has passed another order.
सिमिलर मैटर नहीं इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं सिमिलर मैटर
After instruction, my lord, after instruction.
only after instruction सेटा कहबे रखि
आज्ञा,
था reserve
आज्ञा.
keep it reserve regarding the payment of the balance amount give a copy give a copy
आज्ञा, आज्ञा.
that also इजी वे धरनी सब बेले ठीक
आज्ञा.
आर्गुमेंट करो जोटे दरकार हो आगे तो रोल एड़ा धर आगे एंदी ऑर्डर दरकार मते निजे आर्गु किछ करियो आर्गु से मैटर ए मैटर कोन डिफरेंस हो कि मु जानि नी लेट देम एग्जामिन दैट सेटा ताकू देबा कथा कॉपी से एग्जामिन न करी कि मु को ऑर्डर रे कोन पास कर दे मन अछि आपण काबी 5 दिन तळे कोन खाइतिले मन अछि मन रहिबनी हां नेक्स्ट
Fix a date.
या फिक्स डेट 1st December
First.
next
17.
17
Item
17
17.
non-APS place the matter on 14th December.
In this case, we have already received instruction.
17 Passover.
Pass over nahi road achan
We have already received instruction. We'll file an just counter.
you want to file counter Lord comes with the state 6 2 weeks time to file the counter hala आप pass over bani hala counter file karantu sana and 1 week thereafter is granted to the petitioner to file the rejoinder list the matter on 19th December 19 लेकिन नोट करना okay next
Item 19.
19
May I please? My brother sought for time to file counter.
which matter this
This
one
one.
okay learn comes with the state 6 2 weeks time to file the counter and 1 week thereafter to file the rejoinder learn constitution is granted 1 week thereafter to file the rejoinder list the matter on 14th December next
20.
your name okay Shailaja Nandan
Mr. Sandas undertakes to file counter.
Yes, I'll file.
under test okay next
Item 20.
Only last occasion, upper body had taken time to obtain instructions.
sorry
State has taken time to obtain instruction.
you have obtained instruction
20.
what is your name
And in this case,
Devasis Hajra. Devasis Hajra. My name is not there. Devasis Hajra.
Hajara Assam
No.
nahi
Odia.
Odisha Hajara sir name
need some time. Not his
Huh?
instruction notice. Need some time.
and comes the state 6 1 week time for instruction in the matter list the matter on 29th next
Item 21.
21
Pardon me, Lord. Item number 16. The जो date
ए मझरे पळे आसीबनी हिंदी हां कोन को
से date टा खाली टिके खाली से date टा होची 29/8/2019 4/1/2018 जगह रे 29/8/2019
तो 16
item 16 आगे 29/8/2019
ठीक है thank you
obliged.
next
Item 21.
In the
21.
last, your lordship,
Also, we need some time to obtain.
it came back to 20 minutes
Yeah, please.
Lankas with the state 6 2 weeks time to take instruction list the matter on 7th December next
Item 22.
22 non-APS list the matter on 19th December
22, we have already received instruction. We'll file counter.
counter file karo okay Lankas the state 6 2 weeks time to file the counter 1 week thereafter for filing rejoinder list the matter on 20th December
Item
Next.
24.
24
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in the last occasion, honorable court adjourned the matter so that the honorable court can go through the CCTV footage of the arbitrary.
I don't know where I've kept the CCTV footage also. I have to find out. Somewhere I've kept, I'm not getting it.
No problem, lordship.
Monday. Hopefully in the weekend I can see. I've kept somewhere actually.
Not anything.
Monday. Allah, sorry.
26.
26.
My lord, I am appearing for the opposite party number 5, Sanjukta Behra.
What is the case about?
My lord, I prefer that I received
Yes,
the
Kami matter.
I received the counter just before yesterday. Ordinary receive करची rejoinder.
You have to file the rejoinder.
My lord.
And because the petitioner takes 1 week time to file the rejoinder list the matter on 1st December.
In the meanwhile, I will file Vinama.
Yeah, karantu.
My
Why should I write all these things? I want to file kariye. Next.
Okay.
Item 27.
27.
Passover.
Passover.
On behalf of Subhan Kumar Pal.
मत लागुची पासवर सेकंड हाफ रे बसी न पारे काहे ना एते सरी जीवा कोन मु तो गुटा रे सब साथ दे लागलानी सब तो पासवर आ
Hello, one pass.
ए सब सॉरी कोन एडजमेंट
Passover.
एवरीबॉडी सिक्स एडजमेंट व्हाई आर यू हियर देन एडजमेंट नेवा काहे आसुती कोर्ट को आर्गुमेंट करेगा आसुन तो कम से कम पासवर एडजमेंट देता नेक्स्ट
28.
पासवर कर दे 27 ना
27.
28
28, your lordship, on behalf of conducting council Passover.
पासवर
What instruction point hill actually said.
इंस्ट्रक्शन अछि की
नहीं
आसिनी
नहीं
ओके एडजमेंट कर दे 13 12 12 डिसेंबर कर दे
Take a short date, your lordship.
कौन अछि अर्जेंसी की
Actually, conducting council.
अरे अर्जेंसी कौन
Pray करले तो मुझे.
प्रे करते अर्जेंसी कौन कर ले
No instructions.
नहीं फर्स्ट डिसेंबर
Obliged, your lordship.
नेक्स्ट
29.
29 नॉन appears list the matter on 20 देरा जो आसले भी आ करबिनी 20th December सीधा straight next
Item 30.
30 non appears 20th December 31st 31 matter
31.
non appear अपना चली
That matter wherein I have sought for modification of order dated 10th October 2023.
और फाइल कर ले
Yes, on the same day.
आई अच्छी देख ले
Your Lordship, I have gone through the UTV, the live streaming. In fact, Your Lordship had directed me to deposit 20,000 rupees towards area interim maintenance and 5,000 to go on paying 5,000 rupees. Let us forget that since he is appearing, let us hear the revision on merit.
okay what is
It may be
it yeah, for the wife
yes. Since he was not appearing, I was placing for interim order. But
Yeah,
since
for the
he is
wife.
appearing,
yeah, for the wife
yes, let any other day be fixed for his
yeah,
merit.
yeah for the husband
Yes, I am.
okay Monday लगा Monday
Monday no sir.
अरे ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେ କହିବେ ମୁଁ ତ ଏବେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ରେଡି ଅଛି
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ମେରିଟ ରେ ଆସିନି ମୁଁ ସେଇ ମଡିଫିକେସନ ଅର୍ଡରଟା
ଆଉ
ଆସିଲା ନା
ମଡିଫିକେସନ ଅର୍ଡର କୋନଟା କରିବେ ଯେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାର
As per noting, my lord, your lordship glance to the board. As per noting, there is delay. They have not taken steps for.
already condoned. That was the order. ଦଶ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଟା ଏଇ ମଡିଫିକେସନ କାଲି ନଭେମ୍ବର ରେ ମୁଁ ରହିବିନି 1 ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଆସୁ 1 ଡିସେମ୍ବର
okay first no next
Sorry, my lord. I'm talking.
I'll rectify the order don't worry I'll modify the order
ଆଉ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କଣ ହବ
ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ okay
ଖାଲି ଲିମିଟେସନ
present price ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି
ଲିମିଟେସନ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଇଗ୍ନୋର ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଖାଲି ମଡିଫିକେସନ ହବ
କଣ ଲେଖି
90 ଡେଜ ଲିମିଟେସନ ମୁଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଜଜଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଆସିଛି ରିଭିଜନରେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ରହିଲା ଲିମିଟେସନ କୋର୍ଟ ରହିଲା
ଲିମିଟେସନ ଟା
ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଲେ ତ ଲିମିଟେସନ ଗଲା ଆଉ ଲିମିଟେସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧା
ନା ଇଗ୍ନୋର ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା
ହଁ ଫେର ଆଉ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ
ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଖାଲି
No, no.
noting ରେ ଆସୁଛି ତ
Your
ସେଇ
lordship
ପାର୍ଟଟା
have glanced to the noting. There is delay in filing the revision. They have not filed any application to condone the delay.
ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଦେयर ଇଜ नो डिले 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଇଗ୍ନୋର କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ
କେତେ ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଫାଇଲ
2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ
ଟାଇମ କେତେ ଅଛି
ଟାଇମ ଇନ ଟାଇମ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି
କେତେ ଟାଇମ ଅଛି
ମୁଁ କହିବି
ଏକ ଦେଖିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କାଗଜ ଦେଖିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟାଇମ କେତେ
ରିଭିଜନ ର ଟାଇମ ହେଲା 90 days
90 days
90 days order was passed by the impugned order was passed
on
in February 2023 27/2/2023 I have filed the revision on 10th April 2023 in time
within time
so you should ignore it
no limitation
se notice ଟା ଆସୁଛି ବୋଲି ସୁଧା ହଉଛି ସେ noting ଟା ନା
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଲିମିଟେସନ ନଥିଲେ ନୋଟିସ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଦେବି
ନା ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ noting ଟା ଆସୁଛି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ସେଇ କଥାଟା ଉଠିଲେ noting ଟା ଆସୁଛି
I like it. Since the matter was filed within time, so the noting and limitation be dropped. Next. Next.
33.
कितना number?
29.
29. मु 20th को लगेलेनी 20th को लगेची डिसेंबर हाँ 2011
आइटम
और 2011 नेक्स्ट
मतलब आइटम 27 वाला मतलब आइटम 30
अरे ये मझे आसिक कौन एटा मु जानि पारु आपण आसीबेनी तार मझे आसिक पसी आसीबे आउट कार मटे चलते पसी आसीबे अरे मोड न आसे नहीं गला जो डेट देखछि सेटा फाइनल आउ चेंज करबी सेमती एक्सेप्ट करबी मो आपण आपण का गुडे रखिलेनी आपण जूनियर फ्रेंड का गुडे पासवर्ड जे आसु पासवर्ड जे आबा आत ना आउ डका आबा पासवर्ड दुईटा बेले हला दुईटा बेले बी हियर तुपियन थाउ से जहाँ भी हो सर पासवर्ड मागी छंदे पासवर्ड टाइम रे नेबी ना एबे आपण नेबी मौजरे पळे आसली हैव ए सेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन और एते सीनियर एते वर्ष प्रैक्टिस करते जान मेंशन कोन जा करंतु एंती मौजरे होइनी जोड़ा आबे आपण दुईटा आले मु सब पासवर्ड जोड़ा होय दुईटा पर निए दुईटा पर नेबी सेटा नेक्स्ट 33
But here the petitioner has challenged the enhancement of maintenance, and your lordship has issued
yeah for the girl
no for the husband. I have been paying.
अच्छा ये challenging the
enhancement only. So your lordship has pleased
केते रे बढ़ाई केते बढ़ाई छी
1800 टका को 4000 टका करथिले your lordship 3000 टका रे
आपण कोन करंती
मो रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉय अछि आ पिला दिटा बड़ पिला ग्रोन अप
रिटायर्ड एम्प्लॉय
हां पुलिस रे चाकरी करथिले रिटायर्ड हेजी
हां आपण वाइफ एबे पळुची आपण
आया
क्या वाइफ को
मेंटेनेंस सिंस लॉन्ग दे यस 90 92
केते वर्ष रो देली
92 रो दे यस आया
आपण केस सरी नहीं जाए
केस तो सरी वाला मूल केस एनहांसमेंट में थरे थरे मेंटेन एनहांस करी चल जंदी थरे सेटल हे जाइथिला
ए महंगा बत्ता बढ़िले याडे ई बत्ता
थरे सेटल हे गेला अमाउंट ता
माने ईयर
1800
ईयर एनहांसमेंट कमेंसरेट विद द डीए
ते सेटल वर्तमान मोर दीटा जियो ग्रोन अप लॉर्डशिप हैज 3000 टका पई हजर प्रपोजल देथिले मझिरे
आपण दीटा झी आपण पाखरे अछि
हां मोर सेकंड मैरिज रे मोर दीटा जियो ग्रोन अप जियो वो पाठ पढुचंती
मल्टीपल अफेयर्स भाई
अफेयर्स गलाणी आ 30 वर्ष पुराना कथा
अच्छा दियंतु ताले कोन
हां से नोटिस
अब पेंशन केते पांती
पेंशन वर्तमान मोर कटि 26000 टका पाउछ
26000 4000 देले कोन केते सरी जीवो
मो निजे कार्डियक पेशेंट मोर लोन अछि पिला ग्रोन जो पाठ पढु तांगर The lordship has issued notice last occasion. जाइछि deliver notice हिची नोटिंग देखुछि appear करना दिया
okay non appear
lordship will settle the matter
non appear आपण नोटिस दस्ती दे जानतु
ना दस्ती दरकार नै गोटे डेट रखन दो जो कहना एबे नोटिस टा रिटर्न आसी छि सफिशिएंट बोली एडवोकेट दबा टाइम लागी हां गोटे डेट ला था
notice is sufficient and non appear on behalf of the traffic list matter let's give a terms give a chance to the opposite party to appear list 6th December
I also wanted to settle the dispute
हां मु चाहू छेड़ा से जे
मु चाहू छे पिला पढ हेलेनी
1992 रो
चल एक्चुअली मझिरे सेटल हला पर ना मझिरे सेटल हला 1800 टका कर देबी फाइनल गुटे कंप्रोमाइज
फाइनल गुटे कर दो ना दी
फाइनल आसुन तो गुटे जो अमाउंट ए पर्यंत दे लमसम अमाउंट है परियो तो आसुन तो कौन से कौन करछन
ठीक है आपका प्रॉब्लम हमें क्या नेक्स्ट
item 34
interim order was there to continue
how can interim order
till today
okay interim order next
34
I am challenging the order dated 26/4/2023 the court Jagatsinghpur rejected my discharge application to discharge under section 31RS and 32VA SST and PO Act.
Sorry?
Yes,
I couldn't get you.
My discharge application has been filed.
Discharge for what?
Discharge for the offense under section 342 and 294, 324 and 506 IPs and read with section 31.
कौन कॉलेज सेक्शन फुटांतुनी सेक्शन इज लिखा है मुई पढी परछि आपण कोन कॉलेज कोंदु
there is a dispute between the two group
हां
तादरे हितला कोन की one of the group member has lodged a FIR against me.
what कोन डिस्प्यूट
डिस्प्यूट हला गणेश पूजा को केंद्र कर दी जण कर भीतर झगड़ा
ये मद पीवा में पैसा मिललानी अच्छा चांदा आजकल से हो जे चांदा नेगरी की केते खाली सुदाश्री
occurrence आज्ञा हला
अरे मते कोन तो केदी कोन हेतला ती कोन तो डिटेल खाली झगड़ा हेतला ना मारपीट भी हेतला
झगड़ा हेतला ये आज
तो
पर
झगड़ा माने पार्टी
ओरल हेतला धस्ता धस्ती माडगोळ भी हेतला से जहा आज पर एलिगेशन आज्ञा एफआर occurrence आज्ञा हला 13/9/2019 रे after 29 days without explaining any delay FIR registration आज्ञा हला 24/10/2019 रे आज्ञा if complaint case हला 24/10/19 और FIR registration हला 4 that is after 8 month of the occurrence lord.
Okay, issue notice.
Your lordship was pleased to issue notice, but nobody appeared. Your lordship
only has directed the state to obtain instruction.
Yeah.
You have got the instruction. You will file a detailed affidavit.
Let them file and number 2.
Yes, sir.
OP number 2.
I also issue notice, but they have not appeared.
Local police station through दे दे refuse को चला sufficient
That is sufficient.
तो NVW issue करो ना चले
Your lordship also call for the LCR.
बड़े काम करो सुनो तो ये जो सुनो तो Mr. Misra tell the local police station to serve a notice again. से refuse करी परिवानी police ये किधर बना और consequence of state is directed to serve a copy.
A local police station details
Through the local police station detail दे दे local police station कोड़ा
Local police station Balikuda police station.
हाँ
Balikuda police station.
Balikuda district Jagatsinghpur. Okay, the local police station दे दे तांको address and concept of the petitioner to share the address of the local police station and the same shall be served through the local police station. This the matter on 7th December.
Yes, your lordship call for the LCR last occasion, but the LCR has not come. Yes,
अगर notice तक sufficient हो तब तक देखिए. In the meantime, LCR will call. Next.
35.
Yes, ma'am. I am for the bank, my lord. In the last occasion, your lordship was directed to obtain necessary instruction. In the meantime, the law officer has been transferred and the new officer is on leave. So I want some time. But in the last occasion, when passing the order,
the bank 1 week time to take fresh instruction in the matter. List the matter on
my lord.
30th.
Yes, my lord. What happened in this case? The interim order was passed on 23/3/2021 till 20th April 2021. But thereafter, the interim order has not been extended. But after hearing the submission on behalf of the advocate, your lordship was pleased to mention that the interim order granted earlier will be extended till the next date. Since the interim order has not been extended since 2021, I think it is not.
It's not. Okay, I don't know what the interim says.
The interim order was not there.
I thought it is continuing.
Interim order was not there.
Not there?
No. Interim order granted.
Sorry?
It was listed before local adat. So the local adat court cannot extend the interim order.
No, my
For
lord,
settlement purposes, it was listed on
ठीक है किसी अपन किसी को ना आंधी ना.
No.
No, my lord.
Catch right there.
अपन कौन question?
Why he is saying so? Because the vehicle, they have filed, they have issued a notification despite this interim order.
If
I
suppose
filed
there
an
is no
application.
interim order, they can do anything.
No, they have sold the vehicle. That is the problem. That is why he is saying interim order is not continuing.
You
I have filed a specific application.
So when did you sell the vehicle?
Yes.
My lord, at that time,
That is why
the
you
interim
said
order
that
was not there.
Sir, John, कौन?
Interim order was granted till 20th April 2021.
अपन vehicle बिकले के भाई.
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିନ୍ତୁ
section ना
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା obtain କରିନି
ଆପଣ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ section. Next thing. Okay.
My lord, you will kindly extend the interim order.
My lord, how is the interim order?
Interim order ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି ଏବେ interim order ଛାଡି ଦେଲି.
That is not there.
My lord,
ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି ଏବେ.
My lord, what I say?
Sir, रोहन तू interim order he will give I'm giving him a short date.
Yes.
So he'll take it.
15 days at least. he will join in the first week of December. And the second week of December maybe.
Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ officer join ନ କଲା କି ଆଉ bank ଆପଣ
The other persons they are not acquainted because he is the law officer.
କୋଉ branch ରେଟା
Bhubaneswar circle, the person who was earlier in Kotak circle, he as a law officer, he has been transferred to Bhubaneswar circle. After taking the charge, he was on leave. He will join in the first week of December. Kindly.
ତା join ହିସାବରେ କୋଉଠି ଚାଲିବ?
No, my lord, I will obtain necessary instructions.
Let some other officer will give you instructions.
I have discussed with them, they are not.
No, other the branch manager will come and explain it.
Second week of December.
See, ଲୋକର ହିସାବରେ court ର
No,
date
my
ଦିଆ
lord, say second week of December may be fixed, my lord.
ନାଇଁ second ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା date ଦେନି. Let it be finished. ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା date ଦିଆ ହବନି.
One submission, man. By London train.
Sir, date fix କରେ ତାପରେ submission ଆମେ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ସେଦିନ କରିବି ହେଲା।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେ interim order କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି interim order. I'm just forgetting the interim order. I'm giving not extending anything. Interim order ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ extend
ନାଇଁ ଏ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି
ଆପଣ କହିବା କଥା ନା।
that is what I'm saying.
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ କହିଲେନି?
ମୁଁ କହିଛି
ଆପଣ ପିଟିଛି ନା ଆପଣ interim order ଆପଣ ଅଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ extend କରିଦେଲି
ଅଛି ତ ତାପରେ ତ judicial ମାନେ court କୁ ତ list ହେଇନି ନା।
break the interim order interim order continued or not didn't continue.
No, my lord, that is not continued.
Let's go to the order.
In the interim order, lordship has passed. In the interim appeal number 2.
No. Prior to that, when
that
one
is
is
only the date. Thereafter, it has not been listed before the court.
My lord, on 23/3.
Your lordship kindly peruse the record. The record
On
is your lordship's.
23/3, my lord. 2021.
21. It
Yes,
was
ma'am.
listed before your lordship.
No.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ no yes ରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେ।
ତାପରେ ବେଞ୍ଚ ରେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇ ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡର ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ କରିପାରିବେନି
ହଁ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡର ଟୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
till next day
My lord,
ରାଇଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି there was last order after that no it has not been
My
listed
lord, intentionally and deliberately they have tried to not to list this matter.
ସାର୍ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ମତେ କହିବେନି intentionally deliberately କଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଆପଣ ଯଦି କିଛି ପ୍ରୁଫ୍ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ I will take action against the party କିଛି ଅଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
I am ready to face
ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କାଇଁ intentionally କହିବେ ମେଟା ଲାଗି ନଥିବ ନାଇଁ ନଥିବ
Thereafter the case was not.
sir how do you say the ତାଙ୍କ registry
My lord, neither they have approached the bank for one time settlement though it has
ଏଗୁଡା
been
ପଛ କଥା ଆପଣ ସେ କଥା ପଛ କଥା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର କୋର୍ଟର ଅର୍ଡର ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ବିକିବେ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟର ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା not to sell sir order was there not to sell
up to 20th, my lord.
what is this ଆପଣ କେବେ ବିକିଲେ
My lord, in 20th of 21 I will
you
not,
get take instruction
I will obtain
if
necessary
you take instruction if you despite the interim order was passed by this court and you have sold the vehicle then the bank will have to face the consequence that don't
lord,
blame me
within that
I'll
period,
impose heavy cost on the bank last time one case I have imposed 1 lakh rupees
yes
and your case in your case what is the vehicle
the vehicle I-10 vehicle
I-10 car.
I-10
I-10 my
okay, at least 50,000 you will pay
my lord what
My lord,
get ready for
during that period it must not
how
have been
this
sold.
should nahi apan next date
During that period it must not have been sold.
you
my
just take instruction sir don't go on the surmises and conjecture just take instruction and if you have sold then your bank manager is to face the consequence
So
sir promotion sabu rokhi
If we have sold during that
despite
period,
court
my
order he has been non-challenged in doing this I write detail order ता promotion ta rahila apan jantu to
my lord you will kindly extend the interim order
no when the court has passed an interim order you should respect that the interim order is extended to the next date next
Item 36.
କେବେର
30th ହଁ ନହେଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆସିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲ ଅଫିସର ଯଦି ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଲ ଅଫିସର ନୁହେଁ ତାହେଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଆନ୍ସର ଦବ ବାସ୍ ସିଏ ଯିବ ଛୁଟିରେ ଯିବ ଇଏ ଯିବ ବାହାଘର ହେଇଯିବ ଆଉ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଅଟକିଥିବୁ ନା
I will obtain necessary instruction from
ବିଲକୁଲ ନା ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ନେବେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଖତମ ଏତେ କଥା କୁଆଡେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
36.
In this matter, my lord, I am for the opposite party number 3 to 6. The opposite party number 5 has filed the subsequent counter affidavit along with your for a status report. That has not been in the record. I have served the copy.
On behalf of Sri Tuna sir, for the opposite party number 2, my lordship.
What happened?
Their grievances are with the opposite party number 3.
Lordship directed them to obtain status report.
What is the issue?
Issue, my lord, here, my lord, 20 lakhs, near about 20 lakhs loan amount has been really sanctioned in my favor, but not a single amount has been received by me. The entire amount has been withdrawn by the bank. They have admitted in their counter affidavit also.
Okay.
Without obtaining my signature. Subsequently, they seized my property instead of releasing any amount and sold the property hurriedly, my lord. For which I approached this honorable court. Now they have
So now
a vigilance case was initiated.
So the bank has to reply.
The inquiry that has been that person one hearing option.
So you are for the
So the opposite party number 3 to 6.
Bank, man.
sir kiye sera kondu opposite party bolo kin janibi
Bank.
bank apon ka pai
Whereas for the lead district manager, the opposite party number 2. Can I say collecting?
Matter referred to the lead district manager. He has directed for vigilance inquiry. During inquiry today, they have filed an affidavit showing that all the allegations, some of the allegations are found correct, my lord. So let me go through the inquiry report. Yesterday they have filed the status report.
So list the matter on 1st December.
My lord, any day, lordship.
On the request of the next
37.
37.
Item 37, I am for the opposite party bank and I have filed my counter affidavit. Last occasion, the
You have filed or you will file?
He has filed yours.
He filed.
I have filed my counter affidavit.
Petitioner 6 1 week time to file the regional list the matter on 4th December. Next.
Obligation.
38.
38.
Lordship. Disengagement of Gram Rozgar says your lordship. They have filed a counter. I have to file a rejoinder. My lord was last occasion directed the state government whether the less performer than that the petitioner are disengaged from the job throughout the district or not. My lord, personal performing less duties than me are continuing throughout the district, my lord. My lord, some personate days, my lord, have worked less because of the rainy season and
Passed an order. I think in your matter that is something.
My lord, your lordship on last date directed me to file counter. I filed the counter. And
counter to
the
the
last date is as petitioner took time to file reply to the counter.
Yes, but I am not disputing. Last of the matters are also directed. And in the entire counter, there is no single averment. As my lord make a query that whether person is.
You file your rejoinder. Land council, you want to file the rejoinder? I don't want to.
Yes, ma'am. I will file.
If you don't want to, I am ready to hear.
File a rejoinder, but that is necessary, very much necessary.
My lord, I'll submit why, my lord. The person was disengaged for he being a non-performer. He was given sufficient.
Let's see. Let him file the
Yes.
land council.
Now he is
Petitioner 1 week time, 2 weeks time, or 1 week time. 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder. List the matter on 7th December. Next.
39.
39.
Your lordship, I have received the counter copy, my lord.
You want to file the rejoinder?
Yes.
Okay, land council
My
petitioners.
document dispute that the headmaster I have filed a lead petition before the
Sir, आप rejoinder file करंतु ना क्या dispute
he receive करते ने एबे समाने कहउछन जे सेटा
Sir, आप rejoinder file करंतु. That whatever there, you just point out that fact. खत्म.
15 days.
Okay, 15 days. Land council petitioner 2 weeks time to file the regional list the matter on 12th December. Next.
40.
40.
Pass over.
Pass over. Okay, pass over. Next.
41.
41.
May I please, madam? Well, after repeated oral and action, this honorable court, they are not filing the counter, madam.
I'm opposite SD bank.
Yeah, for
SD bank. Opposite party. No, opposite party.
भाई opposite party ना आने थी ना
SD bank.
आप कौन होगा मैं opposite party कुछ always say the opposite party name also खाली opposite party से
SD bank
page को जीबी खोजीबी opposite party कितना बार आपने कहला होगा नहीं always say opposite party number 2 party रा ना कहबे
SD bank
हाँ को bank
This is not a bank, madam. This is a
SDB कौन है and why bank private bank.
This is not a bank, my lord. This is a financial, finance company, my lord.
Bank.
It doesn't have the knowledge.
Don't say bank. Bank और non-banking finance corporation अलग था. Bank रे acceptance of deposit and advancement of loan हुई. NBFC रे केवल कौन loan दिया जाए. ना deposit हुई. Deposit loan भी दियांती जाएगी किंतु not in the same way the bank are doing. Banking function are very limited. है ना? NBFC, you know, NBFC कौन जानते हो? कौन? non-banking finance company.
corporate company.
Hala. So you want to take time.
And
No, my lord, repeatedly they are taking.
ଶୁଣ ଆଜି ଯାଇକି
Acha,
ଗୁଗଲ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବ NBFC ର ଡିଟେଲ ଧରିକି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ଆଇଲା ବେଳେ ପଚାରିବି NBFC କଣ କୋଉଠି ରେଗୁଲେଟ କି ରେଗୁଲେଟ କରେ କୋଉ ସେକ୍ସନ ରେ ରେଗୁଲେଟ ହୁଏ କୋଉ ଶେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ରେ RBI ଆକ୍ଟ ର କୋଉ ଶେଡ୍ୟୁଲ ରେ ଥାଏ ଏଭରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ହେଲା
getting a 1 o'clock after.
My lord, he is not the council who has filed the power, my lord. After my lordship's repeated directions, my lord.
so
the power-
he is asking for somebody.
Yes, my lord. But
You know.
there's
Who is your senior?
MR Khatua.
Okay, let him file.
and my lord, he is not coming, and neither he is filing a counter, my lord. And
Let
this
him
is the
relax.
vehicle, my lord.
Just 1 week time I'm granting. You file the
I will last chance, my lord.
last chance. Land council for the opposite party number 2 and 3. Mr. MR Khatua is granted time for filing his reply. This is the matter on 28.
Oh, bless.
Next
42.
42.
My lord, 42 पे pass over.
Pass over.
आज्ञा.
You have no problem.
No, pass over.
Pass over. After lunch.
आज्ञा.
Next
Obliged, my lord.
43.
Can be disposed of. That's a. Can be disposed of. That's
What is the issue?
PLA
Come,
order. Order of PLA.
Come in front.
Order of PLA.
PLA कौन है जी?
Own damage
अपन
claim.
कहाँ पे?
He has for the insurance.
Insurance company.
Insurance
Cholamanda,
company,
yes.
we don't have an issue. Who is the petitioner here?
I am they are the petitioner.
They are the petitioner.
Award is in my favor.
Award may be in favor. कौन
Yes.
ठीक है कौन तू?
The vehicular damage below.
Ticket.
The
Take credit.
You lordship.
जदि लागिला मते इंश्योरेंस कंपनी अगेंस्ट अछि टाइम दे देबी हला आ जदि फेवर आपण जदि यू शुड टेक क्रेडिट यू कैन काउंसिल
Actually, it's a corporate matter, my lord, and my senior.
वन कॉर्पोरेट मैटर कोटा हेगला आम पाखरे कॉर्पोरेट मैटर हमर मैटर काले हम कॉर्पोरेट आ ये मैटर से मैटर नहीं केवल मैटर बसंतु सिट देयर यू विल टेक क्रेडिट मैडम व्हाई आर यू वरी आई वांट टू गिव यू क्रेडिट इफ समथिंग इज इन योर फेवर तांको अगेंस्ट जाउथि बोला आपण फेवर काहे नेबेनी क्रेडिट
The vehicle has met with an accident.
Who?
My vehicle has met with an accident.
Your vehicle met with an accident. What is the vehicle? Truck.
Yes.
तापरे
Own damage claim was filed.
Huh?
Own damage claim was filed.
कितने?
As their assessment is 14 lakh some odd.
Some odd कोई भी नहीं पूरा exact figure कोई भी
Exact amount I'm saying.
14 lakh 14.
Yes.
हाँ कौन लेता तापरे?
But the court awarded 17 lakhs.
14 lakh अपन करो
assessment. Their
assessment. अपन करो assessment सर कितने पैसा का था?
My
कितने अपन का damage कितने इधर actually?
they assess the year as 14 lakhs.
सर पता है सर they assess always. अपन का हिसाब से कितने पैसा का था?
I have claimed in the trial court, my lord.
हाँ.
Trial court awarded 14. They assessed.
ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ ଦିନ ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରନ୍ତିନି କି ଫାଇଲ ଫାଇଲ ପଢି ଆପଣ କୋ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ ପେନସିଲ ଗୋଟେ କୋଠି ଗାର ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏମିତି ପଳେଇ ଆସି ଖୋଜୁଛନ୍ତି ବସିକି
underline
underline ଗୋଟେ ଏଟା ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷ କହିବା କଥା
PL court awarded 70,24,702 along with
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି
my assessment
according to you କେତେ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଛି
they are, my lord. They are surveyor assessed it.
अरे सर सर्वेयर କଥା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣ satisfied ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ କେତେ ପାଇବା କଥା ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି
I have claimed 20 lakhs.
20 lakh.
Yes.
You claim 20 lakh.
Yes.
Surveyor assess 14 lakh.
Surveyor assessed 14
And then this
14 lakhs 37.
PLA देला केते?
PLA 17 lakh.
17 देला. Okay.
Along with
They have
8%.
challenged the PLA order.
Yes, my lord. They are only challenged that the driver which was in the shown in the vehicle, my lord, he was not the driver. They are saying. But they have not proved it, anything, Lord. I have given the details of the driver. I have given the everything, Lord, to them, but they didn't prove.
Okay,
it.
now I am granting her to pass.
Yes.
Passable, na? Passable.
Mr.
Okay.
Khan will come. Can be disposed.
Here, slightly, she can't handle.
Yes, Mr. Khan will come.
Okay, next.
Obliged, my lord.
44.
44.
Yes.
Yes.
Your lordship. Lordship, I want an adjournment in this as the conducting counsel is unwell and will not be able to come.
So, is it for the insurance company? Sorry.
Your lordship, there are two opposite parties. One is the PLA, the permanent
PLA
local
is not my part.
And the other one is the one who's claimed, I mean, the filed the case on the PLA. And he is,
There is a noting that due to non-filing of the requisites, notice has not been issued.
You have not filed the requisite.
yes, Your Lordship, I have filed
File
it.
the requisite.
Yes, but
You have not filed or filed?
I have filed.
You have filed. Show the
Yes.
proof.
I have this receipts with me.
Show me.
But that
You
was
can show
filed.
from there answer. No need to show me. Yes.
Okay, this is the receipt.
It's filed.
There is noting only.
I-
The concept of the petitioner shows the filing of the requisites, as the noting may be dropped. The noting for non-filing of the noting showing the. Okay. So you want passover or adjournment?
Adjournment.
Adjournment. Okay. This 5th December.
Oblige, George.
Next.
45.
45.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? Well, non-payment of insurance amount of rupees 1 lakh by the Life Insurance Corporation of India. My lordship, last occasion, a direct instruction, opposite department 1 and 2 Life Insurance Corporation appeared. So much, and I have served also copy upon them. And but till that, no.
LIC, anybody appearing?
Well, appeared the last time some PK Mohanty. He received his associate received the copy person to my lord's order because so much he appeared in the court, my lord.
But nobody today, nobody is appearing.
No, my lord.
So since nobody is appearing from the insurance company, this is the matter on 29th.
Well, 29th, Tapar or Satam, 29th, mediation also.
5th.
Oblige.
5th.
Oblige. Oblige.
Okay. Next.
47.
47.
May I please, your lordship? The last of the lordship was pleased to issue notice. Somebody appear, your lordship.
What is the issue?
Cause list. Here the petitioners available housing loan, your lordship. 2015 one loan and then extended it to 2017 another loan.
Which bank?
Pyramid fine.
Which?
Some Devi Prasad Tripathi list na tangar achi appear karchandi notice.
Not appears for that. I don't know. Tell him to appear. Phone kari koi diyantu tiki appear kariya pai.
The collection of the number na.
Ta na achi pura.
Na achi.
So apne koi diyo file
director.
Director milibani ni number. Chesta de karibe na. Apna kama saribe. Simply I am returning it.
Arjun kamu kahidevi.
1st December.
My lords.
Non appears for the opposite party bank. Plus NBFC.
Entry mode continue.
Entry mode continue.
Oblige.
The matter on 1st December.
1st
Next.
December.
48.
48.
Item number 48 on the last occasion, your lordship has directed, if your lordship will remember, this is a case whether the petitioner is coming under that MADA EA as per the census in the year 18. Your lordship has directed the present status of that village, whether they are coming under
MADA or not.
Order dated.
Not for that instruction. Your lordship, it has not come.
Chutiya information आपने कितने
My
सकता
lord,
लगा?
I know.
Order dated
personally, I have
12/9.
Chutiya.
My lord, today personally talked with the superintendent. He has assured me it will be given.
Which district?
It is Noapada.
Noapada.
Noapada, Kalahandi. Sorry, earlier Kalahandi. United District of Kalahandi. Earlier. So, which village का मुकाई देवी माँ इतने कथा
Village Amanar village में lord.
हाँ?
Amanar village.
Block. Block.
Kholana.
Huh?
Kholana block.
Kholana block.
Kholana.
I think it should come under MADA.
Page
There are very
page
few
20.
blocks in Noapada district that is not under MADA.
Yes, madam.
Which is something nearer to the Khariad area, it's not MADA, but rest of the area, most of the MADA.
Maybe.
You take instruction.
In the sense,
I'm just
in the
guessing.
form 19, my lord, in the sessions, in the sense,
It comes under MADA, I'm sure, 100%.
it's not coming under.
Take that.
It is not coming under madam.
Not under.
No, my lord.
Let him take it.
Yes, ma'am. Because my lord is 18.
This is small district, actually. I
Yes.
know most part of the district.
And the
That's why
population is 5124, my lord, in the sessions. And so far is the SC/ST concern
let,
is
let him take a 6. Okay, let him take a 6. I'm fixing it for 1st December.
My lord.
You take a 6. You want to say something?
Yes.
What is that?
I may be pardoned again. Your lordship, there was an interim order on that. That may
Okay,
be
interim order to
continued.
continue. What is the
44th item.
44. Okay.
And my lord, may pass the extend the interim order in 6257, the subsequent writ petition along with that.
Let him take a section, sir. Wait,
Yes,
wait,
my lord.
wait.
No, in the meantime, my lord, there is an interim order, my lord. Let me extend it.
Interim order. Next.
Interim order is there in 6257. There are 2 items in this. There are 2 writ petition and 1 item.
Interim order in 6 to
6257 of 2013.
6 to 5. Interim order to continue. Hello, next.
Obliged.
49.
49.
My please, your lordship. 49, my lord, this is a Anganwadi matter, my lord. As per noting, my lord, opposite party number 4, nobody can appear, my lord, in this matter. But I have also a fresh notice, my lord. As per my lord's direction.
If sir,
Notice not sufficient, my lord. May I
how to
appear
chance?
to- Oh, my lord.
So non
2 weeks time, my lord.
OP number 4.
4.
4. Let a fresh chance be given to OP number 4. Appearance to advocate or in person. In the interest of justice. Next. List the matter on 5th December.
Pardon to make a
obliged.
mention, my lord. Item 45.
Mention empty मझिरे हुए नहीं madam.
My lord, item 45.
जोटा भी हेले आपण केस चालला भितर मेंशन मोटे करबी आई डोंट एंटरटेन दिस आपण उठिला बेले करबे नले दिटा बेले बसला बेले करबे मझिरे पळे आछन के बेले मेंशन कर दे कोन इन डिसिप्लिन दिस इज टोटली इन डिसिप्लिन whenever you want to mention or 2 PM उठिला बेले कर देबे whatever you want. Yes.
Item 50, my lord. We're challenging the direction to conduct a fresh selection of the Anganwadi helper, my lord. In the advertisement, it was specified that preference will be given to the widow candidate. 2 candidates applied, my lord, but in the selection criteria, the other candidate is selected.
Sir, preference that doesn't mean that selection हेगला अपन preference दिया जाए पारे out a candidate better preference out a suitable candidate थिगो.
In this case, preference has been given to the petitioner.
Still mark
But
है ना
due to
थिगो.
opposition, very opposition from the Mahila Sabha, that petitioner could not be selected.
Why Mahila Sabha was opposite?
Because Mahila, that is the, in case of Anganwadi helper, a Mahila Sabha has to be.
They have to
conducted
concur.
and they have to select the.
So finally they have to concur.
have to-
Yes.
But that fact has been disputed in the answer 5, my lord, in the Anganwadi appeal number.
You file it. What is it? If Mahila Sabha, they are not,
My
they don't like you, then what can be done?
My lord, the Mahila
बताओ वो
Sabha,
सारे लोगों को बताओ.
Mahila Sabha was also not conducted properly, my lord. Mahila Sabha was also not conducted properly. The signatures were present, that members are not present on that day.
Oh. So let's do one thing, Mr. Misra. Let there be a fresh Mahila Sabha under the supervision of Anganwadi worker.
Anganwadi
Under the
helper.
helper. Under the supervision
My lord.
of CDP or presence ho good.
I am for the opinion.
And want to take care of them. ଯଦି ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ମହିଳା ସଭା ପ୍ରପରଲି ହେଇନି ସିଡିପି ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ହଉ
My lord, kindly have a look at
ଆରେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା କଣ ରକେଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ମୁଁ ବୁଝୁନି ନା କଣ
specify ହେଇଛି, my
ଆଉ
lord.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ I am just trying to solve your problem sir why you don't have patience ଟିକେ
No, no,
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
in the Anganwadi appeal, this
Sir.
point has been raised, my lord, already.
ସାର୍ ମୋ କଥା ଟିକେ ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
Yes, sir.
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସବୁ କଥା ସବୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି
Pardon.
let this be separate ମହିଳା ସଭା ଆଉ ଥରେ ହଉ ସିଡିପି ର ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ହଉ ଫ୍ରେଶ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହଉ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି
My lord, fresh selection cannot be made. I am for opposite party number 5. As per the order of this honorable court in case of my lord, it was
fresh selection cannot be made ମାନେ
My lord,
କାହିଁକି
the petitioner has filed an Aadhaar card to prove her age. I have also submitted in my rejoinder affidavit, my lord. The age of the petitioner is more than 43. I have
your age is 42 age limit kete 42
42.
they are 43 like
My lord.
okay
So by suppressing
by suppressing what
the age of the petitioner, they filed
so on what basis that is 43 who basis
the opposite party number 5 through
Sir,
RTI.
ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଜ ଟା ତାଙ୍କ ଜାଣିଲେ 43 ବୋଲି କେମିତି କୋଉ ବେସିସ୍ କୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରୁ ଜାଣିଲେ
ତାର ସ୍କୁଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଆରଟିଆଇ ରେ ମାଗିଲୁ
ସ୍କୁଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମାଗିଲେ ସେଠି ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ପ୍ରୁଫ ପାଇଁ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ମାଇଲର
ଡେଟ୍ ବର୍ଥ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରୁଫ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ଆଧାର
କାର୍ଡ
35
ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଦ ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ କୋଉଠି ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବର୍ଥ ର ପ୍ରୁଫ ମାନା ଯାଉନି ଥ୍ରୁ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କାହିଁକିନା ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡରେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଲେଖିକି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କେବେ ଲେଖିବେ
କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ଚେକ୍ କରୁ କି ଭେରିଫାଇଂ ଅଥରିଟି ନାହିଁ କି ଯେ ଚେକ୍ କରିବ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିକି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଫର୍ମ ରେ ସେଟା ହେଇଗଲା ଆଧାର ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ବର୍ଥ
କପିଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମାଇଲର କାଉଣ୍ଟର କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର
Even voter ID card ରେ ବି ସେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି voter ID card they don't have any authority to verify ସେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇ ଆସିବ ତ ସେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ସେ ଚଢେଇଦବ ସେଟା ହେଇଗଲା again that is also not there. So school living certificate of course that is the main this thing. So ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସ୍କୁଲ ଲିଭିଂ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଆପଣ ଦେଇନଥିଲେ
नो माइलर
ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଦେଇଦେଇକି ହେଇଗଲା then ତ you are rightly rejected.
मतलब the point they have raised माइलर the
ସାର୍ କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋକ ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି people don't want you then what to do otherwise also you are ineligible
से स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट ର କପିଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ
तो सर्टिफिकेट भी आनिस करने के लिए टाइप टेट
न ଦେଇଛି
ସ୍କୁଲ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଏଇଟା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଠିକ ତ
ହେଲା
लेटर नंबर डेट फट सब पड़ी ठीक तो लागू सी देखे
सर्टिफिकेट आनिस करने में सर्टिफिकेट आनिस
सर्टिफिकेट ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଇନଫରମେସନ ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
सर्टिफिकेट आनिस କରିବା ତ
सर्टिफिकेट ଦେବେ ନା ମୁଁ इनफॉरमेशन ओनली हैज गिवन
सर सर्टिफिकेट केन देबे तांको
नहीं
का बात कर रहे हो सब आपन दरकार से इनफॉरमेशन दियाबा त सर्टिफिकेट देबे ना आपण बीएससी ओरिसा का डेटा पास में सर्टिफिकेट संग जोड़ देबे nothing can be done sir he has already selected जण लोग सिलेक्ट ही साइलानी आपण एज ओवर एज
कॉपी दे दो इंस्ट्रक्शन भी
एक्चुअली हां कोन इंस्ट्रक्शन ना एबो खत्म करू छी आ इंस्ट्रक्शन ना नाही छी कोन आ से सेम कथा दाओ आ कोन आपण गुटे काम करिवे आपनकर स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट अछि आपन बकरे
मु प्रोड्यूस कर रही
तो प्रोड्यूस करंत लड़का to submit the school living certificate within 2 weeks hala 29 6th रे
6 बार
next
मसल
oblige
51
no please your lordship my lord in last occasion your lordship director my landed friend to produce the list of the
though we have filed the counter but on the last occasion your lordship has directed to produce the list of to take instruction that why the Jayalakshmi who was below the petitioner has been placed above the petitioner in DPC dated 8 that instruction we have sought for it has not come.
Okay. And consider this date 6
my lord
1 week further time sir anantu
but se आरटीआई रे पाइची
सर रोहन तो आरटी रे केते आरटी रे आजकल आरटी इन्फॉर्मेशन में डाउट लागुची काहे जानि एटी बहुत आरटी बने बने जानि ठापा मार दछन दीटा धरलिनी मु गोटे ने दीटा धरलिनी
ऑफिस
कॉस्ट पकेची आपण भाव हां से आरटी रे किछ माने नाही आ तापर मन रखि दंदो आरटी रे प्रत्येक पेज सर्टिफाइड हवा दरकार नले से आरटी को मान
ऑफिस इशू करची केमते मते जूनियर
प्रति पेज रे लागिची
आगे
ठापा लागिची प्रति पेज रे
ना एटा तंगे को
ना
लिस्ट
आरटी मानिबी सेते बेला जे प्रति पेज रे सर्टिफाइड कॉपी रे माइ
एटा
तो कहले बे आरटी बोली
सॉरी आई एम बेग अप्लाइज फॉर दैट स्लिप हे गेला एटा ऑफिस इशू करची देखन मत केंती करचती
लेट तांको कथा सुनिबी ना आपण कथा सुनिबी से फाइल करंतु
हां यस सर
दे विल बी मोर ऑथेंटिक देन यू
यस सर एनी डे
आपण कोडी कोन से डॉक्यूमेंट को सोर्स आनि कोन नो
मत इशू कराई
ठीक अछि लेट्स सी ओके 2 weeks टाइम दे दे 13th December Next.
13th November.
November ଆଉ ଅଛି 13
Sorry.
ଅଛି
Sorry.
ପଳିଲାଣି ପରା 13 December. Next.
52.
52.
Item 52, my lord, or 1st November receive the counter. Let me
ଆପଣ
read.
କେସ୍ ରେ ଏତେ ଡୁବି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ଡେଟ୍ ଫେଟ୍ ମନେ ପଡିନ
Sorry, sir.
ଏତିକି ଡୁବିଲେ କେମିତି କେସ୍ ରେ ବାହାରନ୍ତୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲିଷ୍ଟ ରିଜର୍ଭ ରଖିବେ ନା
କିଛି କେସ୍ ପାଇଲେ ବଡ ଲୋକ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ କିଏ ପଚାର
କେସ୍ will be decided on the merits. Next.
And 52. Item 52, my lord, on 1st November receive the counter. Let me warning time for filing the rejoinder.
ଆପଣ
Receive the
opposite
counter.
party.
No, I am for the petitioner.
It's a petitioner.
Yes,
Rejoinder. 1st November ପାଇଲେ
my lord.
ଏତେ ଦିନ ତ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି
Not prepared but not filed. Next.
When do you want?
Next week, anytime, your lords. 1 week after.
1st December.
Yes. Obligement.
53.
My lord, 53 on behalf of Miss Mahapatra, kindly be taken up a week after.
Okay. December 1st. First week the first go to first 6th कर दो
I am for the railway.
ये for
Railway.
railway. Okay, 6th December.
54.
My appearance will record.
Yes, yes. Your appearance will be recorded. It's a very government in India.
Let's see.
Next.
54.
Let's see. Kindly pass over.
54.
Let's see.
कौन सी issue?
LIC, that claim has been rejected on the ground of limitation.
केते limitation?
9 मास पर जणैछन्ति. He has to have intimated to within 90 days, but he has intimated.
Let's see, court can condone that.
Well,
court can condone the delay if there is a real case.
The contract matter, my lord. The Supreme Court ordinarily said that
कौन issue कौन होता?
the policy नहीं चले. Policy नहीं चले. Death हो माने 90 days.
Contract fine, sir. Contract आपण contract कोड लिखिଛନ୍ତି ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କରିବୁ.
That is the crux of the case, my lord. I have annexed my counter affidavit. Let's see, can you see the
read that ମୁଁ ପଢେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣେ ଏମିତି ଡେଲି କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ପଢ.
ନା ଏଟା ମୁଁ ପଢିଯିବ. There is a contract. I have annexed.
Read that.
Within 90 days from the death of intimation, death along with the certificate.
company दा?
My lord,
Who company?
Life insurance company, LIC.
90 days from
90 days. That has been rejected on the ground of limitation. Death
ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ company ଲେଖା
ଆପଣ ଏଟା କରିଦେଲେ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
general insurance
immediately after immediate ମାନେ କିଛି ଜାଣି immediately
that has order but ସେଗୁଡା ବହୁତ ସାରା ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଛନ୍ତି immediately, that is wrong.
but ମୋ ମତରେ what I feel insurance company should have some more time. କାହିଁକି ନା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କାର ଘର ସବୁ କିଏ ମରି ଯାଇଥିବ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
somebody dies, ସେ ଭିତରୁ ବାହାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାକୁ 2-3 ମାସ ଲାଗିଯିବ, ସେ ପଛେ ସେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି କଣ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା 3 ମାସ ସମୟ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ 90 days କୁହାଯାଇଛି. ତାଙ୍କର ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲା 8 to 22
days, still lesser time.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 9 ମାସ ପରେ ଜଣେଇଛନ୍ତି.
ଡିଲେ ତ ୟାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି no doubt, but some cases they should
ଅଦର ଫରମ ଅଛି, ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି, ଅନ୍ୟ ଯେ ପାଇବେନି କି ମାନେ ଇଏ ଅଦର ଡେଫିସିଏନ୍ସି ଅଛି.
ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଫରମ ଗଲେ ତ ସେଇଟା କହିବେ, ସେ ଲିମିଟେସନ ଗୁଡେ ଦେବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଉ କଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଦେବ ଯାହା ଦେବେ, ଅଲଗା ଫରମ ରେ ଦେବେନି.
ନର୍ମାଲି ଏଟା ମାନେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଛନ୍ତି not interference.
That's correct.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, that is
Anyway,
the
he
contract.
asking for time. I am giving a granting some date. ହେଲା 4th December ଆଉ ତ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି ହେଲା 4th December short date 29 ହେଲା. Next.
56.
56. Non-appears list the matter on 20th December.
57.
57.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. The question is, without giving us an opportunity to file the petition for discharge, the charge has been framed. Even on the very day of handed me over the documents, on that day itself charge has been framed. Your lordship may kindly
what are the CPC, the CRPC says? How much time they should give?
My lord, your lordship may kindly turn to section 239.
239.
239. 238, your lordship may kindly first.
238.
238.
Okay.
When in any warrant case instituted on a police report, the accused appears or is brought before the magistrate at the commencement of the trial, the magistrate shall satisfy himself that he has complied with the provision of section 207.
207 last time आपण एबिट करथिले बोले.
आज्ञा 207 कहला.
207 yes. Supply to the accused a
In
copy of
any-
police report and
Aye.
other documents.
In any case where the proceeding has been instituted on a police report, the magistrate shall without delay furnish to the accused free of cost a copy of each of the following. The
Yes.
police report, first information report, statement recorded, so and so. My lord, in this case, your lordship may kindly turn to page 20A.
Page 20?
20B.
Page 20B.
ସେଟାକୁ ଲେଖି ସେମିତି ଆଉ 20B. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖେ ଅଛି ନା?
Page 20B.
ଆଜ୍ଞା, small b.
कोई अपन ये जो इतरे.
ହଁ, ମୁଁ brief ରେ
Okay, okay. Yes.
ହଁ?
Yes, 20B.
20B ଅଛି, ତମ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ,
ଅଛି,
କାହାକୁ
ଅଛି।
ଦେଇନି ବୋଧେ।
कौन पढ़?
20B ସେ ଯୋଉ 20A ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଲା ଯେ 30/6/23. The case record is put up to date 20A and later on the very day copy of your lordship may see later copy of PP is ready and supplied to the RL of the accused person.
No, actually I wanted to know
Again,
how much time they should give it.
there is
What
no
what should be the time lag?
There is no
Is there
time.
any time lag?
No time.
If any application would have been filed by them, then court would have given time for hearing, or they are giving an opportunity of hearing to both the sides.
No, that is not
No,
correct.
no, I'm just on the law point, sir.
Law point,
Law
yes.
point, is there any time
No
lag?
time. The moment charge sheet is filed, cognizance is taken. Thereafter, they directed to appear before the
These are the documents they have to give it. So they have
Furnish
given,
me,
they're not
yes.
given you.
No, on the very day, your lordship may kindly see. Copy of PP is ready and supplied to the RL of the accused persons. And on the very day, the charge has been framed.
Without giving you all the copies.
Yes.
So on that ground only it can be.
Yes, madam. In fact, earlier, these petitioners have filed an application for this agreement.
No, sir, that part is fine.
Cognizance.
The only thing is, as per the mandate of this section, so these are the documents they have to part with.
207.
Yes. So if they have not given the document, then also this can be
But
the case.
it's a complaint case.
Maybe,
Complaint.
maybe.
Yes.
No, it's
Maybe.
not a complaint case.
Even if a complaint case,
It is a
GR.
GR case.
maybe.
On this score, it may be disposed of. And my lord, it would be better if my lord,
Your father?
I'm for the informant.
Informant.
My lord, here is the case. Earlier, they have filed and given us this case.
It seems your
Which
informant is very strong on convicting.
My lord, this is usually happens better when dowdy.
No question, my lord. Earlier, that has I have not furnished
This
because
is what are you showing this?
This my lord cognizance was challenged by these petitioners.
No, there
And my lord, infant perhaps must not
No,
have
no.
been instructed
no, I don't have the instruction of
that
This is CRLMC.
Huh.
CRLMC
This is criminal
against
remittance.
cognizance.
that has
Against
not.
cognizance.
There is a separate. it's
No, that has nothing to do with this. ଭଲ ଆଉ ତମେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କଥା କହୁଛ।
If perhaps he has
Okay.
not been instructed. Otherwise,
No,
it
that
should have
is
been
true.
instructed.
That is
Since
yes.
the section 207, no?
Yes.
It's mandatory.
In the present case, the mandatory compliance of section 207 has not been done. Hence, which order you are challenging?
My lord, 36
30 and a page?
page, my lord, page 20.
28.
28.
Okay, 20. The order passed by the planet JMFC Banarpal is set aside. And the code is related to comply with the mandate of section 207 in letter and spirit. Next.
Obliged.
Yes, next.
Item 58.
58.
Item 58, my lord. That your lordship, LCR call for on 7.
Yes,
My lord, urgent copy of for me. Obliged.
by 4 o'clock. Let's.
What has actually happened in this case, that the trial of the my lord was pleased to stay with regards to the petitioners. But the
Yes.
trial of the husband, which was going on, that has also been.
So let's,
Right.
this is, let it is totally independent. That is a different.
No, my lord was pleased
That-
to, my lord was pleased to grant stay with regards
Okay.
to the petitioners only. Trial of the stay with regards to petitioners. But with
So
regards-
everything goes now with this, everything goes. If anything else is pending, then you just give the number, you can fix it.
Yes, no, my lord, after this disposal, my lord, that has got no meaning. I have highly given
No,
up
no,
this case.
after disposal, the
It will proceed.
the proceeding will be as
Proceeded.
per
Yes.
207 mandate. That's all.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
That is the only
only
spot
my
issue.
lord may direct that it is to be disposed of within 6 months, everything.
Yes.
Because my lord may see,
And
my lord may see the order sheet. I have got the order sheet.
okay, like it, and the JMFC sensation. So actually, Supreme Court is now saying you should not. The constitutional
My lord
court
may
should
see, my lord
not.
may see. I want to show my lord.
No. Recently, Supreme Court says
my lord,
on the
how this
constitutional
summons could be
court.
sufficient, how they were avoiding and how the summons could be sufficient.
No, that's fine. Like, be disposed of within 6 months. Today.
Trial.
Next.
58.
Thereafter.
Last occasion, lordship call for the LCR, my lord.
60,
And the report of the
58.
58.
LCR SC?
That has not been
Okay.
received, my lord.
So, I would have did.
Lordship.
5th December. You're saying something?
I know.
Which matter?
59.
December, my
58?
lord.
No, my lord.
Which matter?
My lord, I'm here for mentioning.
Mentioning. Take care of it.
Fixed for 5th December.
Yeah.
Your lordship, oblige me.
Okay.
59.
Now mentioning count. I'll see you there waiting. Yes. Next, lunch break for back. Mentioning.
My lord, item 45.
45. One
I am for the LIC of India, my lord.
Okay.
Today, I have not any contact number of the petitioner counsel. Therefore, I filed the counter today, my lord.
You want to file it.
My lord, after
Of the candidates who are applying for this Anganwadi and all these things are basically from the rural areas. Everywhere the facilities for internet may not be available. And they are mostly dependent on the third hand, second hand. The person who is in some cafe center, and if they suppose give and the cafe center guy will say, okay, it is done. And they don't know, many of them, they don't know. So at that time, so your strict adherence to this online thing should be, you should relax to some people. Otherwise, you should have a grievance redressal mechanism where you can say those people, there is some such kind of cases. Here you can also accept hard copies. Only soft copies, online, everything, because you don't have there is a huge digital divide which you cannot disagree. There is a huge digital divide. Even in Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, people can't do properly. Forget about the village areas. So that you have to take into account. That must be factored into your decision making about only online. Online maybe that sounds fashionable, but unfortunately that is not the solution to all the problems in the rural areas. Many places there is you don't have even electricity. For 24 hours. Forget about 24 hours. Even 4 hours, 5 hours, electricity is very difficult. So how do you expect them to? Everybody will be very computer savvy, online application, all these things. You must see the practical realities. The decisions are made most of the time in the AC room. That should.
May I speak, my lord?
Yes, please.
So my lord has raised a very valid point.
Yes.
And I would like to just make a few submissions with your permission.
Yes, yes, please.
First of all, there is a very clear grievance redressal mechanism in the engagement guidelines.
Right.
There is the original grievance lies with the sub-collector. Against the decision of the sub-collector, it is with the ADM.
But just can I pause for a moment? Because most of your time, your sub-collector, the grievance redressal, they don't bother about them. They don't meet. They don't allow them to meet even. They don't even the grievance redressal. They go with the grievance. They're treated like just beggars. So what kind of your grievance? Very often, very pathetic situation, madam. Ground reality is very different. What you are saying.
No,
Because
I
you
may
have
be
been
permitted to present the facts, sir. In this
yeah.
case, I may be permitted to present the facts.
Yes.
So in this case, the additional district magistrate is a direct recruit. He is an IAS officer, and he has personally granted hearing to the petitioner. And he has also examined the records, my lord, and his report is also attached in the case record. And what the learned advocate mentioned, that she has uploaded her certificate of class 10, but she has not uploaded her mark sheet. Now, my lord, what happens is that there is a selection committee wherein all these documents are verified. Because just because somebody has uploaded, it is not considered an authentic copy. There may be forgery, there may be some fake certificates, my lord. So the selection committee calls the candidate to come with the original certificates and verifies it. So, my lord, at that stage also, as you are rightly saying, if somebody has faced some difficulty, internet got disrupted, and the person was not able to upload, they are able to present it at that stage. And we have many instances where this liberty has been utilized, my lord. The third thing, my lord, I would like to present is that the objective of doing an online application portal is that in the past, there were many allegations and complaints that at different levels, there was non-transparency. And because of that, there were difficulties. So, my lord, I have collected the data. And apart from the Anganwadi worker, I also have Anganwadi helpers who are class 10 pass, mini Anganwadi workers who are also in some cases even lower, and Anganwadi workers who are class 12 pass, my lord. And in all, 8,106 engagements have been done between April 21 and November 23. All vacancies have been filled up using the digital process. And last submission, my lord, and then I will humbly rest my views, which is that, as you mentioned, that why are we looking at expecting these people to use apps or use digital technology to such a degree, my lord? Today, the entire documentation and work in the Anganwadi center is done on 2 or 3 apps, which have been prescribed by Government of India. One of them is the Poshan Tracker. Another, which the state government scheme, is Mamata. Then we are also having infrastructure apps. So, my lord, the Anganwadi worker per se, her basic requirement is to be able to operate mobile phone and app. But having said that, my lord, I understand the point that you have made, and we will reiterate our instructions to the field functionaries that no deserving and genuine candidate should be eliminated on grounds of technology. And during the certificate verification time, if they have faced some difficulties, they should be able to bring it forth, with the caveat, my lord, that other candidates should not object. Because if there is a lot of competition in the field, so if you allow somebody to give late submission of documents, then the other candidates often raise.
No, I understand that. Whatever you say, digital part, I'm not disagreeing with you, whatever you say. Digitization is now the order of the day, and there should also be more and more digitization. That's fine. And online application is also fine. I don't disagree. But the people, suppose because of some technical disruption or something happens, there should be some grievance redressal mechanism. Unfortunately, many of your grievance redressal mechanism, as I find regularly, I hear the cases, they are not very sensitive. They are not very sensitive to the many candidates. They have the complaint. They don't bother about them. So they often your grievance goes to the deaf ear. So these kind of things should be just taken care of. Number one. Number two, have you approached to the authority on verification day?
My lord, I have annexed.
Just verification day. Have you
annexed 4, my lord?
Annexed 4. What is that?
Page 24, my lord. To CDPO and 25 to the sub collector, my lord.
Another thing, whenever these people are approaching your office, the authority must give some stamping receipt stamp. That is not, they are not giving. So they can't prove even they have approached the authority. They must give some stamping thing. So you have approached on 26 to 3 the sub collector.
My lord.
Then after what happened?
Thereafter they have selected, my lord, the OP number 8. My lord.
You have approached the sub collector.
My lord.
Sub collector has approached. I mean, you have given.
Representation, my lord. Annexed 4, my lord.
Representation, you are not there. So have you approached on the verification date?
My lord, on 20, my lord. Last date of submission of application is 17.
17.
And the
On verification day, did you approach?
My lord, on 19 I have approached also.
Then what did they say?
They did not, my lord, select. They have.
I'm asking, what did they say? What did they say?
They only received my representation, my lord.
Verification date, mister. On verification date, you went with your your mark sheet.
My lord.
Then you gave them.
My lord.
Why are you going to the paper? Just I'm asking question. Without seeing paper, answer me. You approach the authority on the verification date, right?
My lord.
Okay. Authority has accepted that your medical certificate.
Representation, not certificate, my lord.
Why representation? Why not a medical certificate?
But they have rejected, my lord, as I have not uploaded. Your lordship kindly glance to
you have not given that
remarks column.
No.
My lord, your lordship kindly glance to the remarks column.
Date was 19th July 2021.
You have.
My lord, I have appeared, my lord.
And he has submitted report on 26th after 6.
My lord, 19 also I have.
Sir, sorry, your case is a gun case.
No, my lord.
Sorry, no. You have not approached on the verification date, sir.
No. My lord, I have my signature is there, my lord.
What is your signature? Where is your signature? Where is your signature?
My lord.
Where?
Your lordship, page 22.
Your lordship, that page 22, which the learned advocate is referring to, says document verification for selection of Anganwadi worker and mini Anganwadi worker, which they have attended. So this is an attendance sheet that they have attended.
Have you attended there?
My
name?
Radharani to do.
Whether they have produced the document or not, your lordship.
Serial number 2, my lord.
Evident.
Radharani.
It is not clear whether they have produced the required documents.
But what
or
are the
not,
documents?
your lordship. And number 2, your lordship, I also got it checked from the technical system of the software, whether because there was a contention by the petitioner that she had uploaded the certificate, but due to technical glitch, it was not showing. So I got it checked last evening, your lordship, though this was the first time and I was asked to appear personally. I have not been involved in this case, but yesterday
I wanted to involve you since long.
So
another very important issue, actually, I wanted to impress upon your department. I don't know how far it is your workable, I don't know, because the central government guidelines are also there. About that so-called the selection on the village as a unit. What can we not take village as a unit instead of that Anganwadi center?
Your Lordship, village is defined as a revenue village which may comprise of several hamlets. And as the Lordship is familiar, in Orissa, the geography in some districts is such that the distance between hamlets may run into several kilometers.
So if that kind of hamlet, you have a separate guideline. And if the
Your
hamlet is
Lordship-
contiguous, then you have a separate guideline.
Your Lordship,
For
government
contiguous,
does
most of
not-
the, as I know, most of the hamlet, I think 90%, maybe 10% here and there. 90% hamlets are contiguous in nature in Orissa villages. Because I have traveled almost all districts, 30 districts of Orissa. And if I may not have traveled to every village, but I have the basic idea about the pattern of the resident pattern. So most of the villages you find in Orissa is contiguous. And what you call that they are separated, there is a intersperse, some in the hilly area that's there. But otherwise, most of in those areas you have a separate guideline for that purpose of those areas. Rest of the area, why should there be unnecessary? Because there is a lot of litigation because of this issue only. The village as a unit, if it is taken, I think 90% of the litigation would stop. Unnecessary people are coming to High Court for a smaller thing. What this house, that house, this out in this word, that house is in that word. There is more confusion on that. Secondly, the most of the villages, the kind of segregation you make the word-wise segregation, that is also there is a lot of confusion because your department has their own system and the revenue department has their. I mean, revenue doesn't have that kind of segregated system, of course. But your department, you find some segregated word. This word belongs to the word 1, this word number 2, like this. So if a house, suppose so-called demarcation, whatever you do, that is also creating a lot of confusion. So if that can be addressed, I think there will be a lot of, your lesser litigation, I would say. That
Your
could,
Lordship's advice
if
is
that
not-
if that can be explored, please. If it is explored, I don't know the guideline, what the central government, the schematic guideline you have to check. If it is possible to take a village as a unit, I think much of the litigation will be over, at least at the time of selection. So I don't think there should be any problem in addressing even you can have a, suppose there is a village which is very big, like Bhuban. Now it is no more villages, NSC, I think. Or there are some villages where you have 5-6 words. So you just exclude those villages. They can be under this whatever the present scheme. Otherwise, for smaller villages, you have a contiguous villages where you have find population of 2,000, 3,000 maximum. So there is a contiguity is there. So there, why not village should be taken as a unit instead of segregating them to 3-4 words. Service area word. Oh yes, service
Have a
area.
point, Your Lordship. I will take
Just
it.
to try to explore if that is possible. I think half of the litigation and your energy of the administrative officer will also be reduced.
Yes,
The ADMs are saddled with so many cases. They can also be free. They can also utilize their time for better work.
In fact, I have a humble request to Your Lordship. People are coming, I see, in appeal to the High Court without exhausting the channel.
I know.
of-
No. For them, I am just sending them back.
That
We
would
are
be
not.
great.
We are not entertaining them. Straight away, we are sending them back.
Like in this case also, she
So
should have gone to the RDC before
they
coming to
think
Your
this.
Lordship.
They think this parachuting is better than ladder. So parachuting exercise, I am discouraging them.
For
So
instance, in this case also, Your Lordship, they have not gone to the RDC and they have straight away come to the Honorable Court, which is fine by me, Your Lordship.
Appeal, my lord, I file
RDC is not the authority, madam.
Your Lordship,
ADM, my lord.
No,
Appeal.
Your
ADM, I think.
Lordship. We have made 3 levels: sub-collector, collector or his nominee, who is generally the ADM, and then the RDC.
RDC.
Revision, new guidelines.
Just a minute. RDC there.
Yes, Your Lordship, in the guidelines issued in March of 2023 this year, we have made the RDC and we have also written to AG to inform the Honorable Lords of
Oh.
Cuttack High.
If you do the system of there, this is really creating many
Second.
sitting as lordship.
Sir, single window, how can the single window be there? So once it at one stage, if you are not satisfied, you will go to the next stage, again next stage.
So we know the difficulties while approaching the sub-collector, ADM.
Sir, someday they are fixing now, they are deciding the cases, not that they can't.
In fact, they are not
As per
deciding the
new
cases.
guideline,
Then it will be better for me.
yes, second appellate office is RTC.
Second appellate.
Yes.
First appellate, second appellate. Oh my.
ADM and district.
I've just not, I thought after second this, so show me the one copy of the guideline.
Your Lordship, we will all have a much easier life if these are implemented, which is why we have introduced to save.
But again, I'm saying, despite all these things, that if village is taken as a unit, there will be a lot of problems will be solved.
Yes, Your Lordship. Noted, Your Lordship. I will take it up with the Government of India.
10D.
You can write to the government if the guideline says that it can be done, can't be done, then you can write to the government of India that you should consider like this because it is generating a lot of litigation unnecessarily. People are coming to the court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, now we'll read this. It's a good thing. Straight away I'll send them. Thank you,
Your
thank
Lordship.
you. I have
Thank
not
you.
seen this. आपने पहले देना चाहिए क्यों नहीं दिया? I didn't give me. Should have given this. I thought this first other upload. I think not a single case has gone to RDC. Now I'd start sending them. This is good. Unnecessary wise it would be wasting time in all this thing.
Your
So
Lordship
you're
has gone to the Supreme Court also in SLP to become an Anganwadi worker in Puri district.
lot of, I know. Lot of cases are going to Supreme Court also from different states because these are
For
the issues.
Anganwadi worker.
Yeah. So what to do? Can't be done. You have not even uploaded.
Not
sir.
uploaded. I have gone through this. I have got.
You have not uploaded because that the system indicates if you have tried to upload and failed, there is a systemic failure because of there is a internet issue or something. They can't. देखिए तांगो देखिए तांगो देखो तुम्हारे क्लाइंट को कहबो तो करिनु बोली कहबो sorry can't help sir.
Your Lordship directed to approach for the RDC new guidelines, my lord.
How there it is dismiss सीधा आसीचर it straight काल तो करबी आज से करबी এটা তো হবে my lord out stage out logo out round ঘুরিবে
my lord, your lord.
Anyway, the petitioner challenges the order dated 25/25/2022 passed by the additional district magistrate Mayurbhai in Anganwadi appeal case number 2 of 2021 preferred by the petitioner. And consider the petitioner submit that he has uploaded the matriculation certificate at the time of filing the online application form. However, because of the non-submission of the matriculation certificate to the selection committee, his application will be her, na?
Her, my lord.
Her application will be rejected. And that's the state for the semester. The petitioner has not come up with the matriculation mark sheet before the verifying authority at the date designated for verification of the learned concept of the state for the submit of the present petition did not even try to upload the mark sheet as reflected from the portal. If any document was uploaded and failed due to some technical glitch. This is also reflected in the court. In such of the matter, the grounds raised by the present petition doesn't inspire confidence for the scope. At this hands, the petition we were to be considered. This court appreciate the presence of the women child. Placing suggestion and accepting the suggestion of the court or assurance to improvise the system so that there shall be lesser litigation. The presence of the presence of certain privilege already. Next.
Personal reference of state.
And dispense. Thank you, madam. I think she's out. Okay, next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
But consider our request.
Yes, sir. I have
Village
noted
as a
it.
unit. That will
Yes,
be
sir.
better. If
Yes,
that
sir.
can be considered, then many problems will be solved.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next.
Item 32.
32.
Pardon, my lord. Pardon, my lord. My lord, item note 27 is after launch, my lord.
27.
No, 32 is 32. This is a 2.
Passover is na?
Yes, my
Okay. It is 2 PM fix kara idla. Passover. I'll call the Passover. Passover next. Passover start. Out 2 PM good office. Out it. Out it 2 PM sala pare apna Passover nahi ava. Hala ठीक है.
My lord, in this matter, the party is there in negotiating town that talking Mr. Jaswantas, he has got difficulty, is not appeared today.
You are here.
Yes, that is continuing. So I seek some more
So you
time.
need more time.
My lord.
So Mr. Mahapatra is not responding at all.
नहीं
So you are talking to
parties have subjected to the their respective guidance.
Well, consider
ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିବି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 30/11 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନାହିଁ ଟିକେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଯିବୁ 30/11 ମାନେ ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଏଇ ମାସ 30
11 ତ
ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ମୁଁ ଜାନୁଆରୀ ରଖୁଛି if you have no
ଡିସେମ୍ବର
problem.
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରଖୁନ ଆଜି ଗଲା
No, I this if you can finish it, then you can even mention it also. Suppose your talk fails or succeeds, that's a different matter. If it doesn't, you can mention it, you can get it preponed also. So I'm fixing it at January 4th. January 4th. If suppose your there is a failure of your negotiation and everything, then you can also. So you can mention it, I can report it.
If earlier, then
yeah. Because this takes time now, that's why I'm giving more longer time. Next.
Item 43.
Item 43, my lord, it is those Lokayukta matter, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord. In item 43 and 55, the Lord and AG will appear in this case. Today is out.
So, Monday.
Today is out of station, my lord. He will come back on Wednesday. Your lordship, can it be because on Wednesday there is already a matter has been.
It will come, then it will come after December. Why so hurry?
Lordship,
December.
In December first week, your lordship.
First week,
First week, second week.
week.
Because there is a stay is there, that's why I'm.
4th December got this.
Twice they have taken time, but lordship,
And in
I have
item
one grievance
55,
you can see.
In item 55,
Take
if you item 55, the sub-item number 1 and 3.
That can be DTAG.
DTAG where my lord senior Mr. Mishra is appearing.
55,
item 55, sub-item 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
My lord.
Okay. Sub-item 1 and 3.
More
That can be DTAG, that's separate.
That's it.
I have also last item also, that is also no connection.
That is also not connected, my lord.
Last matter.
Last sub-item.
That's why I'm saying at that time of hearing, all this can be
All can
detected.
be separate here.
So why on this, after hearing, you can detect all them. all of
Yes,
them.
your lord.
In fact, last two occasions we have been trying to get this detect because these two matters are actually covered with breach collapse matter.
It's not
It's
covered.
by the division bench.
No, 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 it is not.
This is between.
I covered.
Passed the order. I mean, I've written himself. Yeah, I mean, just Dr. Starting it.
So only those two matters can come on a separate day. There the AG is not appearing.
State is a party also, my lord. His state here is a party. Whether AG will appear, I don't know, my lord.
If it comes at a time, also we can hear it then.
Because I think we were discussing it will be easier for my lords to deal with that issue separate.
Okay. Then let it be.
It will-
Only the leading matter, that is the 36952. That is
That and 36949. Both of these are from the same cause of action.
36949. Both are from the same cause of action. Let it be there.
Yes.
And all the other matters be detected.
I have one more prayer, small prayer. In sub item number,
Pray for a shorter day.
Yeah, that can be given a short date. 29. 29. Those two matters listed on 29.
in sub item 4 of item 55, that is WPC number 770 of 2023, the opposite party number 2, in that case, that is Principal Secretary GA Department has to file a counter affidavit.
Let it now. I'm detecting it just.
Let
I am not
lords,
going to-
let the item 29 2 p.m. my lords.
Let it come and separately.
Yes, lord.
Along with this matter, I mean, it should not come along with this because it's a totally separate issue.
Okay.
So 2 p.m.
2 p.m. my lords. 29 also 2 p.m.
Just.
Sub item 2, I am for the petitioner. In this case, counter has been filed by opinion 2 and 3. They have not served a copy of their counter. I pray.
ଆପଣ ମଗା ମୁଗି ହେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
Sir,
କେତେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଇଏ କରିବି
copy ଦେଲେ rejoinded file କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ତ ଆମେ should not get involved on this. ଆପଣ lawyer friend ଠୁ ଆପଣ ନେବେନି ଆଉ କି କଣ
So your lordship may kindly direct serve the copy of that counter so that I have to file the
State government is very conscious in giving counter.
Have to verify whether it has been solved. Think it.
So why don't you?
Only I am requesting my lawyer friend to give his telephone number so it will be solved today. itself.
Yes, when I have solved the copy, I have already given my telephone number, email, everything. Just now.
ଆପଣ save कर
It will be solved today.
Just now I will give. Yes, ma'am.
ଆଉ ଏ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କଥା
No, madam. I will give just now.
Next.
Entry matter may be continue, my lord. Entry matter.
You want to continue?
Entry matter.
Small prayer, lordship. Kindly see my first case. Just now I am filing an affidavit. Lordship, kindly have a glance to affidavit, lordship.
अब I argue सुनो फिर evidence को मैं देखूंगा.
Are that doing, lordship?
Sir, whatever it come, let it, you raise your issue on that day because today I am not hearing the matter.
They have taken up investigation. That's
Let's see. Let's see now.
Your lordship said, but they are.
I'll see on that day if they have still they are doing. We are not powerless.
Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship.
Yes.
Next, we have to continue.
In all cases, interim.
Interim to continue. All the next.
Passed over matter.
4th December.
4th December.
I'll pick let group 4th.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଏବେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ପଳେଇଛୁ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ।
1st December ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱିକରେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ମୋର ଟିକେ।
ହଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ କୋଉ ପିକନିକ ଫିକ ଯିବେ କି?
ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଟା
ୱାର୍କିଂ ଡେ ରେ କି ପିକନିକ? ଆପଣ ସର୍ଟ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ମ୍ୟାଟର।
Passed over matter item 13.
13.
During coverage period of the insurance, annexure 1, page 10, the petitioner's vehicle got damaged in the road accident. Annexure 1, page 10, coverage period, my lord, 28/4/22 ରୁ 7/4/23.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ accident କେବେ ହେଲା?
ମୋର ହେଲା accident ହେଲା 16/9/22।
କେତେ 7/4
ତାଙ୍କର
coverage period କେବେ ଥିଲା?
28/4/22 ରୁ 27/4/25। 27/4/25।
27/4/25. So
Accident
within that period.
accident ହେଇଛି 16/9/22।
Then what the problem?
But the claim is repudiated.
Why?
Because there is no reason for the being agreed by the repudiation letter. I approached the IRDA. IRDA annexed.
IRDA के छाड़न्तु इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को कौन कहले से कौन कहले आगे मते कहंतु छोटा IRDA के पळि जिबे तो बाटा घाटा के जो होने सीधा पळे पैरासिटिक कल्चर
दीटा केस से कर देले my lord.
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कौन कहला मते
my lord, the reason is that my lord, ignoring the report of the police stated that the driver having valid license was driving the vehicle. But in the repudiation letter, well, it is they are disputing without any proper inquiry. Page 20, my lord, annexure 5. My lord, the paragraph 3, that the available records and your conduct in the matter clearly demonstrated that at the time of accident you are driving the insured vehicle without having the valid driving license.
Sir, valid driving license none of the debeni.
No, এটা ଥିଲା my lord, ଥିଲା ସେ police report.
କେମିତି ଆଇଲା ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଲେନି?
Police ବା ସେ proper inquiry ହେଇନି my lord. When I was out of my village, annexure 3.
Who was driving the vehicle?
My lord,
what is the name of your driver?
Manoranjan Sahu. Sahu. It is reported in page 14.
Paragraph 4 ke asantu. We also verified the attendance of record of the alleged driver, Mr. Manoranjan Sahu, and found that he was in the college premises on the date of accident and his registered mobile so location was also at the same place. So it is practically not possible for a single person to present at both the location.
It is disputed.
How can I
No.
sir, this is a factual thing.
No, my lord. Annexure 3, page 14.
Hmm.
The police, SI, Nampo police station, certified that on 13/9/2022, one Manas Das, so and so, Hyundai Centro car bearing so and so, on 16/9/2022, while along with the family members were proceeding from Chandaneswar to Baleshwar.
ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଲେଖିଲାଣି?
It's police, my lord. Proper inquiry, field inquiry hitla by driver Manoranjan Sahu. Suddenly, one goat in front of his car to save the goat. The driver applied sudden brake and it was.
ASI Nampo OP.
Nampo OP. Outpost, my lord.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଲେଖି ଆଣିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ତାଠୁ ମାଲଫାଲ ପକେଇ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ହେଇଛି
ଏସଆଇ ମାନେ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଟଙ୍କା ପକେଇଦେଲେ ଲେଖିଦେବି
ଏଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ବି ହେଇଛି ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ହେଇଛି ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ବି ହେଇଛି
ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ ଯୋଉ ହେଲା କିଏ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଲଜ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଏଫଆଇଆର କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଦେଖିଲେ
ଏଫଆଇଆର କପିଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟଲି
ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଦେଖିଲେ ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ସେଟା
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ଟୁ ସୋ whomsoever
ମୁଁ ଏଣ୍ଟର କେସ୍ ରେକର୍ଡଟା ବି ଆଇ ପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ
କନସର୍ନ ଲେଟର କେତେ ବାହାରୁଛି ମାର୍କେଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ କଲ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କୋର୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ସେଲ୍ ଦି କେସ୍ ରେକର୍ଡ ସେଲ୍ ଆଇ ପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ
ଆଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା ଏଫଆଇଆର କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କି ଚଲଉଥିଲା ସେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରିବା କଥା ଆପଣ ଏଫଆଇଆର କପିଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବା କଥା Okay, learn counsel the petitioner to file the FIR copy. List the matter on 28 November.
Okay.
FIR copy file करो. Next.
Item 27.
27, my lord. Last hearing that my lord instructed me, directed me to punish a judgment if any person, any first person rejected his appointment letter, then second person is eligible or not, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
Give me the judgment.
Yes, my lord.
What is Supreme Court? Supreme Court. No other court. No.
High Court.
Supreme Court. I want Supreme Court judgment. को केस रे को दया रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहिछि लेटेस्ट जजमेंट आपण काई आनु नांती सर सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहिछि जदी एंतिया केस रे जदी गोटे सपोज one person is eliminated because of some or maybe resigned or something happened or dies or something happens. There should be fresh.
Yeah, last time yours was directed.
So fresh seta lagu Supreme Court na dekhi
senapati judgment is killing provision.
Single judge mo manibini. Apna jodi principle jodi se decide heitanda पांचटा केस लो देके डिसाइड हेतांता ताना मानथांती किछि नै कर फैक्ट्स ऊपर पळे गेले ता गोटे को केस रे कोन थिबा मु जानने से सेतळे सेही केस रो अवस्था कोन थिबा आई डोंट नो अजुड आई
Try, my lord I have mentioned, my lord,
जदी आपण प्रेसिडेंट वैल्यू देखाबा चाहते सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट देखले डीबी रो जज मिनिमम डीबी रो भी बहुत समय माने नै सुप्रीम कोर्ट देखेला पक्का मानिबी हला आपण सिंधा देखिबी
हां देखिबी
ओके
ट्राई करबी
नै मिलिबो मिलिबो सुप्रीम कोर्ट एवर लेटेस्ट जजमेंट दीजी judgment कौन दे देंगे?
Here what happened, the residence certificate was cancelled of the selected candidate. Now she is
I
claiming
know
that, yes,
residence had cancelled, and now he is claiming his number कितने number?
My case number.
नहीं case number नाम
My
merit
serial
list,
number.
merit
My
list.
serial number is 1. The who appointment is serial number 2, but they are appointment.
They are appointment.
Yes, ma'am.
आपन appointment कौन है?
They are not allow my issue appointment
you should
letter.
prefer appeal.
काहे की?
Appeal ले जाए ना.
आपन appeal ले गले?
हाँ appeal ले गले ADM verify कर ले.
जानते तापरे RDC जानते.
RDC देखेंगे.
देखो as per the guideline अबे आराम करिए. As per the guideline issued by the Government of Odisha Department of Women and Child Development dated 15/3/2023, the clause 9,
10D.
Sorry, clause 10. The petitioner is if the petitioner is agreed by the order passed by the first appellate authority, that is the ADM, the petitioner is required to approach the second appellate authority, that is the RDC. Correct?
से ADM पाको जाई ना से software पाको जाई थे कोठी.
If लिख दिली बना,
Yes,
if he has failed in the first appellate, if he is agreed by the order passed by the first appellate authority, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the second appellate authority for redressal of his grievance, accordingly dispose of. Next.
My lord, my
How
language. My lord, that person who is opposite one number 8, who is rejected by the CDPO. My lord, CDPO. They are file suppressing all fact and file a
जान से कौन तुसु?
My lord, this court.
नहीं this court
My lord, this was stay issue stay order. My lord.
Good. लगा तो थोड़ा stay उठे दीजिए.
आगे sir.
It is not order.
No more than the stay उठे दीजिए. This
Suppressing
court
all fact and taking stay order. My lord.
मोदी जी.
No, it is something. The residence certificate, I think it was it.
हाँ सही same opposite part number 8.
Here what happens, challenging the cancellation of residence certificate, the Biju Telam, she may approach this honorable court. So that is separate.
এটা লাগেনি না, এটা কি
এটা
লগাই দে, এটা কাল লগাই দে।
এটা আসিবনি ঠিকই। সেটা রেসিডেন্স সার্টিফিকেট।
এটা কাଇଁ দেখুଛନ୍ତି তাহলে? ସେଟା ଯାଇ ତୁମର କଣ ଯାଉଛି? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, listen to me.
Sir,
if you have the problem that wrong appointment has taken place, you have been not considered, you approach the second appellate authority and you have said you have approached.
No.
Right? You have approached.
Yes, sir, I have approached the
order দেখলে?
নাই।
অর্ডারটা দেখলে?
Sub-court পাকে যাইছিলে?
Sub-collector, no, collector. I have went to the collector. Collector direct to the ADM. ADM direct to the collector, sub-collector.
এই director মই কোন কই দিছিলে? ଆପଣ মই লিখি দেব. If he has gone, if he has approached the first appellate authority, if he has agreed by his order, you can go. And he have not approached the first appellate authority, the petitioner is ready to approach the first appellate authority. Yes. पूरा सब रास्ता बता देली, जानते जुआड़ी जैसे.
Order I have referred that day. It is Sudesh Kumar Goyal versus the state of Haryana and others.
Copy টা দেবেন না, আপন সে
My lord, I will give it tomorrow. I'll give it.
Sudesh Kumar
Goyal versus the state of Haryana and others. Civil appeal number.
Just sir, ମୁଁ କାଢି ଦେଉଛି ଏବେ କାଢି ଦେବି, କାଇଁ ଏତେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ.
Civil appeal number.
10861.
Just
Sudesh Kumar Goyal.
Yes. That's so well.
Para 18 is the relevant para.
Yes. State of Haryana.
State of Haryana.
of 2023.
Non-appointment of was not arbitrary. It was determined that the vacancies were filed in accordance with the
Para 18 is the relevant paragraph.
Para 18.
18.
It takes us to the second argument that the appellant could have been easily adjusted against the vacancy caused due to resignation of one of the selected candidates. The argument per se is bereft of merit inasmuch as all the vacancies notified stood filled up initially. However, if one of the selected candidates joins and then resigns, it gives rise to a fresh vacancy which could not have been filled up without issuing a proper advertisement. And following the fresh selection process, the division bench has rightly dealt with the above contention in the light of the precedent of the various decisions of this court. We do not feel that any error has been committed. Correct.
My case is something different.
Your case is totally different. Solution.
They are illegally forgery by forgery document. They are appointed.
जानतु से authority को जानतु आपण तो first सेठी जीवा कथा पळे अछंती पळे first appellate को जीवे ना सीधा high court पळे लगे नहीं leave the parachuting culture, always use ladder CD. Keep a copy, Mr. Amon. Keep a copy of this order. Now I have kept it. Just do this.
I will provide you a hard copy tomorrow.
हमारा सॉफ्ट कॉपी थी हार्ड कॉपी कौन करेगा हम पाखे हार्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी अच्छी बेटर आपण रखी दांतु टू शो देम ऑपोजिट पार्टी को देखा पे Yes, next.
Item 40.
40.
Item 40 related.
40.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the matter about?
The matter relating to Jogana Swayako. The petitioner working in near about a decade of years.
Sorry?
The petitioner working as a Jogana Swayako under Khordha districts. And he was after 10 years of service, he was terminated on Annexure 5, which is challenge before Lordship. The state has.
He was terminated from service for what?
As a Jogana Swayako, I was.
On what ground?
On ground that I was not distributing the so-called item. To an
so-called item
item as well as the one police case was initiated against me by the one of the nominee of the locality. For this reason, I was terminated. And state has filed a counter. In a counter page 17, villagers are requested to the opposite part number 4 for resettlement of the petitioners. The document which was filed by the state under
there is no inquiry report.
Yes.
You got it? No. Not constable the state 1 week time to get the inquiry report. List the matter on 29. That's next.
Item 30 not be called.
Item
30.
30.
My lord.
30.
My lord, in the
Non-appearance.
आपने कहीं ना थे आपने कहाँ पाई
and for the petitioner, my lord. For Dasti, my lord, some time, more time has been required, my lord.
for Dasti
My lord.
non-appearance कर दिया कारण का petitioner 6 weeks time to serve the matter through Dasti. List the matter on 6th, 7th कर दे 7th.
Obligement.
Next.
Item 42.
42.
My lord.
Chola.
Yes.
You are with. Okay.
Your Lords, the annexure 8, the order passed by the learned PLA mallards is under challenge mallards.
Yes.
On twofold ground. The brief fact of the case is that.
Right. Order को challenge.
Again.
That is at page 47.
Again. Para 6 my lord.
Tell me where is the wrong in this order?
Yes, my lord. Para 6 my lord.
Para?
Para 6 of the order passed by the learned PLA my lord.
I am there. You come to the page.
Here,
I am
my
there
lord,
on that page.
the admitted case is that the truck, insured truck of the opposite party number 2 bearing registration number OD09G6572 dashed from the backside of the front running truck OR05X 1415 miles. Because the truck which is going ahead of that truck applied sudden brake, as a result of which the insured truck was dashed from the backside of that truck and got damaged.
So what is the wrong in it?
Wrong in it, my lords, that after the accident, the opposite party number 2 lost their claim, declaring in that one Pradeep Jena was driving the vehicle.
Who was actually driving the vehicle?
As per the investigation, as per the report obtained from the under the provision of the RTI Act from the National Highway Authority of India.
driver को भी मैंने
Yes,
track
rescue
करछन्ती।
ହେଇଛି, because the
just
NHI
a minute. ଆପଣ जो FIR ଥିଲେ FIR କପିରେ କାହା ନାମ?
FIR in it,
FIR
station
ହେଇଛି,
diary.
station diary entry ହେଇଛି.
Station diary.
Station
Yes,
diary.
in that Pradeep Jena was the driver. Reflected.
Pradeep Jena your
Yes.
The declaration made that one Pradeep Jena was driving the vehicle.
Station diary केंदी प्रदीप जेना करथला कोन पुलिस जानिबो?
ନା ନା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି
କେମିତି ଜାଣିବେ ପୁଲିସ ଯେ ଆପଣ actually driving କରୁଥିଲେ? ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଜେନା କରୁଥିଲା କି ଆଉ ବିମଳ ଜେନା କରୁଥିଲା କି ଜାଣିବ?
I am the owner. I have given that.
Sir, your declaration
Yes.
doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
ଆପଣ ତ କିଛି ବି ନା ଦେଲେ ଏଟା ହେଇଗଲା final.
No, no. I have given that. I have in the
But
claim form. I have given
what
that. But
made you to think that somebody else was driving? ଆପଣ କୋଉ basis ରେ somebody else was driving ବୋଲି?
My lord. Here, my lords, the admitted case that the truck of the opposite party number 2 was completely damaged because it dashed from the backside of the front running truck. But no injury has been sustained. I am coming to that point, my lord. No
So
injury has been sustained by Pradeep Jena.
you meant to say because nobody got injured, nobody died, that's why there is no accident.
No, got injury. The person who was driving Sukadev Paltra had sustained serious injuries. And his photograph.
Actually, according to you, Sukhdev Palta was the driver.
Was driving the vehicle. He had no DL. For that reason, one Pradeep Kumar Jena had been shown as the driver who had sustained no injury.
So he was having the DL.
Because he was having a DL. Here, my lords, I have obtained
So
the
you are
report.
saying we are talking about that some RT report.
Yes, my lord. That is
What is the
annexed 4,
RT?
my lord.
नहीं ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ଏଇ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ହାଇୱେ ଅଥରିଟି ବାଲା କୋଉଠି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କେତେବେଳେ ହେଲା କାର ହେଲା ସେ ନା ଗାଁ ସବୁ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପରେ ଆରଟି ରେ ମିଳିଯାଏ ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ତାଙ୍କ ଥିଲା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆରଟି ଖୋଜିଲେ ମିଳୁନି ଏଟା ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ
NHI ର ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ରହୁଛି
ସାର୍ NHI ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ଯେ ସେ ମାନେ ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ସେମାନେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିଲେ ସେ ଟାଇମ ରେ
yes they have rescued and they have taken the photograph, my lords.
Then you have a point.
They have taken the photograph of the person injured.
So
and
that photograph and this Jena photograph doesn't match.
Does not tally, my lords.
Then you have a case. Then sir, you have to
No,
dispute.
Milord.
How will you dispute that?
Milord, the helper was injured.
Sir, helper was injured. I'm not saying that.
Helper was injured. Helper was rescued by the NHI authority.
So driver.
No. Helper side was.
पड़ेला.
No. Helper side was dashed. When the vehicle was dashed, helper side was dashed, pressed. Driver side was not pressed. That's why helper was rescued.
କିଛି ବି ହେଲେନି ଆପଣ ସ୍କ୍ରାଚ୍ ବି
ନା ଡ୍ରାଇଭର maximum ଡ୍ରାଇଭର
ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ସେଠି
ନା ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଚଲାଉଥିଲା
ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଆପଣ ସୋ କଲ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ନାଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ନଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା he was the driver
କେମିତି show me
how they are saying the helper was injured. I am admitting the helper was injured and helper was rescued.
ଅଧା vehicle ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ
ନା helper was rescued, my lord. Helper was rescued. He was the helper. Helper was rescued.
Driving. He was rescued.
No, he was not driver.
Vehicle, my lord.
They are saying that story that he was not driving.
Rescued.
Helper, though the helper was injured, he was driving the vehicle. Helper side was pressed. Driver side was not pressed.
Entirely,
and the
front side of the truck entirely damaged, my lord. 14 lakh.
ଆପଣ 14 lakh assess କଲେ
Damage.
They have assessed 40 lakhs.
Because we have deputed a surveyor, he has assessed the loss.
So you wanted to increase that amount.
No,
Huh?
no, I have claimed 15 lakhs.
I have repudiated the claim. That the
assessment
who
was
was
40 lakhs.
driving, the truck had no DL. For that reason, he has misrepresented.
Truck has no deal, I can say.
But they have
Person
planted that
driving
story.
may not be having DL.
They have planted that story below.
Not planted,
Yes.
my lords. My submission is based on record and the
The station diary, in the station diary entry was specifically mentioned.
Station diary ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିବେ ସେଟା ଲେଖା ହେବ
ନା,
ଆପଣ
ଯାହା ମୋର
ସେଠି
ଯାହା-
ସେଠି ଚେକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତୋର ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଦେଖା ତୁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର କି କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟର ଦେଖାଉଛି ସେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହିଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କରିଦେଲେ
DL was
ଷ୍ଟେସନ
given-
ଡାଇରୀରେ କଣ ଜଣା ପଡିବ
DL was given as ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ story
DL
କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
ଷ୍ଟେସନ
They have not
ଡାଇରୀ
seen.
ହେଇଥିଲା just hold on ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଡାଇରୀ DL ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ନାଁ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ।
DL
DL ଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛୁ। ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ନାଁଟା ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଡାଇରୀ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦେଇଛୁ।
ଦେଖିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେଖିଲେ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଡାଇରୀରେ
that was exhibited in the trial court.
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
No, no, that was reflected in the order. I have not the copy of that.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
That was reflected in the order.
show me the station diary copy
Lord,
ଆପଣ ଆଣିକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
that was reflected in the order.
ମେ ବି ଅର୍ଡର ଥାଉ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି
Exhibit 2, Lord.
ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଟୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥିବ exhibit 2
insurance policy sir insurance
Yes, policy is there. Everything there. Lord.
yeah, you have to show that land consequence petition to
Call for the LCR. You will call for the LCR.
LCR absolutely
Exhibit 2 is very much available in there. Lord. And they are saying the story. They are saying the story, Lord. Lord, your lordship can visualize for a moment. Your lordship can visualize.
chalsi fraud
Insurance not fraud. They are playing with the. They are taking the premium. 70,000 premium they have taken.
ହେଲା ତାପରେ ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ଦେବେ ବୋଲି ତାର ରୁଲ ରେଗୁଲେସନ ମାନିବେନି
ମାନିବି କାହିଁ ଆମେ ମାନିଛୁ। They are playing, Lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
In order to avoid the, in order to avoid.
ଜଣେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାହାକୁ ନେଇକି ବସେଇବେ
ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜଣ କାହିଁ ବସେଇବି? They what photograph they have given me, Lord. They have given the photograph.
let the LCR come
They have given the photograph.
let the LCR come 11 December
They have given the photograph of other vehicles.
to continue asu LCR asu ele insurance ବଡ ଚାଲିଛି ମୁଁ ତ CBI inquiry ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ order ଦେଇଛି
ହଁ I don't bother.
huge scam
Yes,
huge scam
Lord.
in India
They are playing with the-
internationally ଚାଲିଛି insurance scam
They are playing with the victims, Lord. Victim, Lord.
not victims sir
Yes.
even you are also playing with them
No, no. They have not proved it in the trial court.
ତାହେଲେ ମତେ prove କରି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
In the order, they have clearly reflected, Lord. In the order, it is clearly reflected. I have filed the.
ସବୁଦିନ ଶୁଣୁଛି ମୁଁ
FIR. Yes.
ଏମିତି
I have filed
ସବୁଦିନ
the.
ଶୁଣୁଛି
I have filed in order to avoid the claim. They have playing this mischief.
ନାଇଁ there may be but ଆପଣ ବି କରିବେ ନା
I have given the FIR that is marked exhibit. In the FIR, it is clearly reflected.
let
that
me
the-
see the LCR
So, yes.
let me see that next item
11th December. 11th December.
yeah 11
Special notice matter. WPC 22413 of
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର
2023.
ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଆଗ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କର କେତେ ଅଛି ଦୁଇଟା କେତେ ଅଛି ସାର୍
ଦିଟା ଅଛି।
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ପଡେ
Item 59.
59
In this case, my lord, the husband is before a lordship, my lord. Last occasion, lordship issued notice, my lord. My senior has appeared in this case for the opposite party wife, my lord. I have challenged the order passed by the London district, additional district, my lord. The enhancing the interim entrance of rupees 10,000 to 17,000. That is challenge. That is imposed before a lordship, my lord.
yeah for the boy
I am for the husband,
husband what are you doing
my lord.
what is your profession
Profession, I am working as a constable in CRPF,
what is your salary
my lord.
salary କେତେ
Salary as per the London district has taken 60. Man, I am coach. 40,000, 45,000, 45,000. Man, because it has taking into consideration 63,000 on the basis of, since I am working in a Jammu and Kashmir, my lord, there is a special allowance. That apart, my lord, my mother is ill and he has bedridden. I have taken on some loan, incurred some loan from my
what is the wife doing
wife. Is
housewife you have children
one child, one 4 years daughter.
with the wife
His wife, my lord.
where does she stay
My lord,
where does the wife stay
staying within my parental house, my lord.
କୋଉଠି ଜାଗା ନା କୋଉଠି
And in the same Ralkala,
ରାଉରକେଲା
my lord.
so you want to get the
Sir,
amount reduced
my lord.
okay I'm making it to 15,000 15,000 କରିଦଉଛି
I 15 like
Sat-
interim maintenance. Otherwise, I do not. I have lordship can see what amount I have paid without passing any order, my lord. I am giving
Sir,
the.
you are paying it by
I am paying, my lord. I
I
want to keep my wife, my lord, my house, my lord. But he is abiding. He is only the intention to take the amount, my lord. That is lordship can see that I have given everything. I have UPI, my lord.
Who is appearing for the wife?
But then VC, my lord. Mr. Das is appearing.
Mr. Das.
Yes. The area, the husband, near about 3 lakhs.
Sorry?
3 lakhs.
What?
3 lakhs. The rate of 17,000.
Sir, our voice mic take back jantu.
Sir, at the rate of 17,000 per month, as per the order of the ADJ, there is a pending of 3 lakhs of area maintenance. Unless and until that amount is paid to me, how the petition, how the stay petition is entertained, how the relief will be granted to him.
That is, leave it to me. Why are you
Sir,
worried about relief granted or not granted? That is none of your business.
Area maintenance sir clear karo.
That is none of your business. Let me first
sir, okay,
understand.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you.
But the order passed by the.
Arey sir, tikke atkando na. What is the total amount of area?
That I will calculate, my lord. The order passed by the additional session distribution, my lord, on 8/8/2023. That I have not calculated, my lord. They your lordship permit me, I will calculate, my lord.
That not only calculate, you clear that.
Then lordship give it on some other I will.
Area dues they action to
I have paid your lordship. I have what amount I have paid, lordship for a moment, my lord. What amount I have paid, my lord. Without order, without any order, my lord, lordship for a moment, lordship can see them. I have also paid my the LIC dues, my lord. Since I am want to keep my wife, my lord, I have paid the LIC dues. I have also online, my lord. I have not paid any cash, my lord.
Mr. Das.
Sir.
Why don't you tell your client and this petitioner, both of them, let's have a mediation.
Sir, there is so much mediation, sir.
Author is High Court.
Sir, ADJ 1 Raurkela.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝିଲେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ସେ ୱାଇଫ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଭିତରୁ ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ଫାଇଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
ଆଉ କଣ ଏଥିରେ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ପୁରା ଦୂରରେ ରହିବେ ପୁରା ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବେ ଆପଣ ରହିଲେ
ADJ 1 Raurkela conducted the conciliation.
ଆରେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନା ଏଡିଜେ କଲେ ଫେଲ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାସ୍ ମାନଛି
Sir, the husband admitted to pay 17,000.
Then why did he
at the time of hearing, he denied.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁ ଏତେ ଝଗଡ଼ା ଲାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ମିଶିକି
ଏବେ ଲର୍ସି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ appear before the medicine high court medicine
ଆପଣ ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ମେଡିସିନ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
take by my wife,
Let the petitioner be directed to pay the area.
Obviously he will pay, don't worry.
That I am paying, my lord. I am paying.
He will pay.
Only the lordship has state the
ଯିବା ଆସିବା ଦେବେ
ଯିବା
ଦେବ ଯିବା ଆସିବା ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ହୋଟେଲ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେବେ
hotel ka same day can back, my lord.
Same day କାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ହୋଟେଲ ଇଚ୍ଛା ରହିଲା ରହିବେ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ wife objection ନାହିଁ lordship.
Sir, even STGM jo order करतले se order
I am no objection, my lord. I am ready to take by my wife and child, my lord. I am ready to pay the wife. I have no objection.
Okay, let me pass the order. Yes, okay. Petitioner heard both the parties and let the parties approach the medicine center of Orissa High Court.
For a date
for a mediation proceeding. Both the parties are directed to approach. केबे सुविधा हो?
They need details. Hey, sub. If a lordship take a longer date, otherwise, my lord, my
because your
client is December last time.
केबे पचारंतु ना से आसी परिबेनी.
Sir, my client is present.
So the forces तांगु आगु इंटीमेट
आगु दे देबे December last week रे तन छुट्टी आडू so that 20th दे दन
20th. Okay. 20th. And the learned coordinator of medicine center shall arrange a mediator for mediation proceedings.
In alternative, your lordship can, if there is possible, then VC, suppose the employer will not give any
No,
permission, that
obviously.
can be, then lordship
Oh,
that order.
yes, yes, I'm doing.
Thank you.
It is made clear that if the petitioner who is working as a constable in CISF doesn't get
CRPF, not sir,
CRPF.
CRPF, Central
CRPF.
But leave for the said purpose, he may be allowed to be present through virtual mode. So, and the mediator shall submit the report as soon as the proceedings are over. That I'll fix. You just let us know. I'll mention and we'll fix that. Next. And in the meantime, I will calculation kari kari. Your voice is not clear, sir. Why are you not approaching towards the mic?
12,000. I have already calculated.
केते
4 लक्ष 12,000 से
यही 17,000 हिसाब रे हेले से ना मु 17,000 थोड़ी लेबी अब 10 हिसाब रे देबे 10 हिसाब
सर 10 हिसाब रे 10
हिसाब 10
सर 10 हिसाब रे हिसाब को लेबी सर 1,68,000
सर देबो सर टिके हटके जानतु गुटे ट्राई मारंतु नहले आपण खाली तो पैसा 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 और किछ देखा जाउ
अरे ये डेस्टिट्यूट लेडी
रेगुलर तो दउची आ डेस्टिट्यूट कोडे
अरे पिला को पाठ पढौ जे पिलार
हां पिला पाठ पढाने नि केमि करते
सर
पैसा दउची ना
लेट नहीं सर रेगुलर
okay sir in the meantime with
your lordship I have already paid 3,60,000.
Hear me. In the meantime the petitioner to deposit rupees 50,000.
Lordship will calculate it.
Deposit 50,000 जहाँ भी है ना हिसाब कराएगा कुछ deposit 50,000 towards the area maintenance within 1 week.
As per the order passed by the London magistrate.
50,000 देंगे तापर हिसाब किताब करेगा 50 हिसाब करिए आगो 50 दे देंगे
Lordship some time so the 4 weeks time.
तापर second आउट बुझिगली the petitioner shall bear the conveyance expenditure of the petitioner and the child कौन दरकार है इसमें
चाइल्ड ऐसे किधर करने वाले तो भाई
child and petitioner and somebody must be coming with her na so, and person accompanying her plus the hotel expenditure.
If lordship with the lump sum amount so that matter can be otherwise they demand more my lord.
Our so missing remote is 10,000 rupees for that. Lump sum. Jiva Asiva Roiva so 10,000. 10,000 lump sum. Next.
The interim order continue.
Interim order continue. Satta kotha kabi. In this petition, husband wife jeti jhagda na lawyer mane beshi jhagda la.
I am for the rest. Opposite parties. I am for the opposite party's wife.
कौन issue टा कौन?
I am for the petitioner. My lord, 2 weeks
In this case, my lord, the petitioner is the husband and wife filed the DV case for interim maintenance and for other things.
You are for?
I am for the wife, ma'am.
Wife.
Wife.
So what do you want?
Pardon?
For the petitioner.
I am. He has filed the criminal division challenging the awarding maintenance.
केते amount?
3,000 କରିଥିଲେ sir sessions judge 4,000 ଟଙ୍କା କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି sir
अब से कौन करନ୍ତି?
Sir, husband serving in a private company. I am the wife is a nurse and having 11 years of a son.
Who nurse कोठी?
Nurse sir burla re
burla कोठी?
burla sir.
जागा ना burla वो जागा मुझे जाननी की.
Sir VS
वो जागा रे काम करती पचास लो.
Sir VSS sir.
VSS रे काम करती. Minimum आपने salary 50,000 रो करती हो. अब इतने कांटे उठे.
Sir ये रही ची contractual अचन sir. Permanent नहीं sir.
Contractual नहीं.
नहीं sir. Permanent sir.
कितने पांती?
Sir, court has not, sir.
Sir, I am asking you a question.
Sir, nearly, sir, 18,000. 18,000.
18,000. Court has not this कौन कोई?
18,000.
18,000 बस.
Sir.
तो आपण कौन करती?
मैं ना preparing 2 weeks time है कुछ.
मु पचार सी आपण आंसर देन 2 weeks time. आपण कौन करती पचार सी? कोडी काम करती? को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करंती
I have not gone through.
गॉन थ्रू काई आप क्लाइंट र केस नथुल की यदि क्लाइंट कोन करे पछिबे
Ghansam Udri is conducting. I am the associate.
यू आर
Yeah.
एसोसिएट
ये प्राइवेट कंपनी ने अछंती सेल्फ परचेज रे अछंती से
कोठी को प्राइवेट कंपनी
सर ढेंकानाल सर अछंती प्राइवेट पावर एंड स्टील सर
पूरा नाटा जे कहिले
सर पावर एंड स्टील सर कहू
डायरेक्ट कहबा सिखि ना दी
पावर एंड स्टील प्राइवेट लिमिटेड जूनियर ऑफिसर 90 बारम रे काम करछंती सर
पावर एंड स्टील
हां सर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड सर
आगे किसी लागेनी जिंदल छाड़ दिसु देबो
नहीं सर जिंदल नहीं सर सी गोटा प्राइवेट कंपनी
ना से जिंदल भी तो प्राइवेट कंपनी
जूनियर ऑफिसर 90 बारम रे सर
ना ना पूरा कहंतु जिंदल छाड़ दिसु पावर
जूनियर ऑफिसर 90 बारम पावर एंड स्टील प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एति सर लिखा है जूनियर ऑफिसर 90 बारम पावर एंड स्टील प्राइवेट लिमिटेड नववरम
Sir, Narvaram.
so you
Narvaram or Navaram?
you are getting how many 20
He can he averred that he averring on his petition that he is getting only 12,000 rupees. The court has not awarded the wife, sir. Court has awarded the amount in favor of the son, sir, who is reading.
I understand, but
Sir.
kete tang salary ithe mein pachasi private
Sir, my contention is he is getting no more than 28,000, sir.
you file your this thing. Your
Sir, they have not yet filed the liability assessment for Athpas bin Neha and
you file your income statement,
salary slips.
salary slip,
Sir,
salary slip ka file karam debe kete pauchi.
Lordship should
Tell your senior.
Sir. The Lordship should bear in mind that the court has not awarded any amount to the wife. Sir, sir.
See, I know
Sir,
that. I'm
sir.
asking you for other
Sir.
purpose.
Sir, sir.
You just you file your salary statement. Can consider the petitioner. You get to file a salary statement. By what time? 1 week time, which 29th.
Interim order may continue.
Interim order to continue. 29th. Hala, file kariye. Let's see that.
Not a single pie.
We try to problem solve kari tha apna khali fight kar jibe.
Sir, कौन की sir? एपर्यंत single पैसा तो नहीं ना.
अधिक कथा कहबेनी मु मैट्रिमोनियल कथा जते कम कहबे एते जहा पतारी सेति कहबे अधिक बल हेबेनी
Sir.
अधिक अबल मु जते कहबे ता बढ़े देबी 2 गुण तापर दोथि देबे जेति दरकार सेति कथा कहबे काई अन्य से कथा माने थाई किछि
नहीं sir.
मु स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन पचारा फॉर माय फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पस
Sir.
सेतिर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाबा ए हला से हला गपुथि
Sir.
फैक्ट्स ऊपर दरकार
29th.
29th आने दिबे बुझले सेदिना ये फाइनल करी if your salary slip will depend on that
Sir.
increasing or decreasing hala
Okay.
next
Special notice matter WPC 22413 of
Mr. Panigrahi is
2023.
appearing for TPWODL to the
का भाई
Mr. Panigrahi is appearing for TPWODL OP3 and
He's on VC.
TP
TPWODL man, it's a discount.
Tata Power.
Western Odisha.
okay
He's on VC.
He's in VC.
My lord, what happened, my lord?
एटा कितने नंबर एटा
Special mention.
Special mention is a disconnection notice.
oh अच्छा
But the matter assigned to Honorable Justice
Okay,
K.R. Mahapatra and Lordship is challenging the 48-hour disconnection notice. We have filed writ application and says that it is in violation of section
you are
56 of the.
you are for the petitioner
I am for the petitioner. I've got a factory, my lord.
Okay.
So I need not discover the rest part, my lord, earlier part, my lord. So what happened, my lord? This honorable court by reasoned order in presence of Mr. Panigrahi, counsel for the passed interim order on 19/7/23 by directing us to deposit 1.5 crore.
and you deposited
Yes, that money has been deposited, and thereafter, my lord, it has been extended on 12/10/2023 till 13/11/23, and matter is listed on 13/11/23. But the
where is the order for interim this
my lord, the order first order is 24/8/23.
no interim order code is
24/8/23. Then sorry, 19/7/23.
19/10/23.
आगो सेटा देखिबो ना 19/7/23. Thereafter, my lord, Lordship kindly see.
interim order to continue to the next date
Then the matter was listed on 20.
last so interim order was there
Interim order there till 13th. 13th matter is listed, but his lordship rose at 3:15,
So therefore matter could not be taken up nor extended. But taking advantage of that, again they sent another 48-hour notice, and that is the reason why I had
Interim order continue to the next date.
my lord. The date is also posted to 30th.
Okay. The interim order passed on 12/10/2023 shall continue till the next date. Next date.
And that is I could have said as 30th. Next by
We'll have to fix a date.
My lords may fix the date, my lords.
Yes, yes, because we date किसी बार मान नहीं जॉब बहुत हुआ जॉब भी चलती हुई.
First week of December.
So which date will be suitable to Mr. Panigrahi?
First week of December.
No, my lords, 30th if it is suitable to my learned friend.
30th November.
30th November. Or
30th
first,
November?
whatever.
Let it be 30 on 30th. The interim order to continue till 30th November.
But not 30th or 39th. But may it can be on 5th December.
5th December. 5th December.
All right.
5th December. Your problem is solved. That day. After that.